Yes.
Item number 60, my
60. Why?
all payment has been made, my lord.
Order has been complied with.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Mr. D.K. Jain. Mr. D.K. Jain, learned counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submits that the order violation of which has been alleged in the present petition, has since been complied with by the respondents. Also, accordingly, he prays that the contempt petition be closed. Also, in view of the above submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the order violation of which has been alleged in the present petition, having been complied with, the present contempt petition stands closed.
I beg to mention item number 20.
Yes, what happened? Huh?
Personal difficulty.
Nobody has entered appearance for Dhing Municipal Board. Be here. We'll not pass any adverse order. Be here. We'll have to have the presence of the Dhing Municipal Board. We'll see what we can do. Rest assured, no orders, adverse orders would.
Number 22, 20.
22, 25, 26. What happened?
In your lordship.
On a prayer made on behalf of Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on the ground of personal inconvenience. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience, prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Lordship, there are interim orders operating a lot.
All the 3 cases. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Your day.
Lordship, back to item number 15.
15.
15. Arising out of same cause of action, my lord, other writ petitions were dismissed. I have the order, my lord, and giving liberty to the petitioners to approach the competent court, my lord. May I just
Why? Which competent court?
for seeking damages? It's a contract matter, my lord. Contract was decided, so that writ petition.
But the interim order in your case also bars you from doing that.
There was no interim order, my lord, at that point of
There was a order, no interim order, but the interim order rejection order.
rejection order is there.
Okay, when the matter calls, when it called up, you be here. The clarification is pre-conclusion of hearing. After conclusion of hearing, no clarification. I was looking into it, it was not there. So we proceed with the matter with what
My
is
lord,
here.
one more thing, my lord, I have been engaged a few yesterday.
For what?
As the respondent number
Sorry.
4. My lord, at least, my lord, 1 minute. my lord.
We will not
I
consider.
got some document,
I'm
my
sorry,
lord.
Mr.
I got
Ramya.
some document, my
We
lord.
had
I may
closed
be
the matter.
permitted,
Today
my
is
lord.
the matter. We have fixed it for delivery of orders.
My lord, that is true, my lord. But
Can't
I'm
help it.
making unusual because of the
Well,
reason, my
unusual,
lord. I
not
obtained
accept-
some document, my lord.
This is not
That will hamper the case and adjudication of the case.
that you take it up in the appeal. Say that your prayer was rejected. If required, I'll put it in the order.
My
also.
lord, oh, at least 1 day time be given to me, my lord. Lordship passed the order on Monday, my lord. By this time, I'll give it to your lordship, my lord. Only 1 day, my lord. Because, my lord, it will, my lord, needed for adjudication of the case. my lord.
What is that
that
document? Why was it not placed?
My lord, that time I was not the counsel of that.
Forget
my
it.
lord.
You being
Secondly,
counsel, you
I-
not being counsel
my
doesn't
lord,
make any difference.
Lordship, kindly permit me, my lord. I'll show, my lord, I got the document, how we made the payment, my lord, a calculation got.
Who are you?
I'm the respondent number 4.
We are not concerned. We are
favor-
concerned with the
in
manner in
favor-
which the bid is to be made, not the manner
Yes,
in
my
which
lord, how
payment. That is up to you.
Lordship has made a query, my lord, page 173. Against that, my lord, we have come a reply, my lord, but I have
What is
prepared
this,
last night, my
Mr.
lord.
Decker?
Absolutely, my lord, delaying tactics, my lord.
Not
This
my
is
lord,
nothing.
one day, my lord, one day, how it will be delayed, my lord? If the lordship pass
But
order
had they been-
also,
had they been
they will
okay?
not get the copy, my
You
lord.
have the file, pass the orders, we'll sign it.
Lordship, then I'll
We'll
submit.
sign it.
No, my-
I'm giving you liberty.
I'm not that, my lord.
Then Mr.
I'm-
Have some mercy for this side also.
Myself, my lord, I just pray for only one day, my lord. Only one day, my lord.
You have got your written arguments ready. Ready.
Lordship, can I submit like this, my lord?
We'll not accept it. Have you given a copy to Mr. Decker? Mr. Decker, go through it once, come back at 2. If there is something, let me know. 2 hours at Mativan.
Also kindly permit me one day, my lord. Otherwise, I'll be highly prejudiced.
2 o'clock. Make your submissions at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, lordship.
And this practice, Mr.
Oh, my lord,
Bhatia,
or lordship, maybe I have typed copy, I have got it, my lord. If your lordship permit me, I can submit your lordship, my lord.
I'll not accept it. We are not hearing the matter. We are only taking a
No,
clarification.
my lord, for
Because the
that
copy was not
clarification
given.
I have come, my lord.
No, that copy was not given to him. So we
My
have
lord.
permitted him to go through it. If something is there out of the blue, he'll just make a submission.
My
That's
lord,
all.
based
And
on
if you
that,
want, you
my
can make your submission at that point of time, 2 o'clock.
lordship.
None appears for the petition on call. Registry, for the ends of justice, registry to release this matter again on 15/9/2025. Yes, Ms. Gan.
Yes, my lord.
And what about the release of rent to him?
Only, my lord, on 23/8/25, my lord, they issued a letter, my lord, and asking for rent, my lord. And in fact, no acquisition process was initiated.
Yes, my lord. Tackle it.
Give him a copy. We will take it up at the second half, 2 o'clock. Okay, we'll have it on Tuesday. Both Miss A. Gain as well as Mr. N. Das. Miss A. Gain, CGC as well as N. Das learned government advocate have placed on record instructions received by them from their respective respondents. Full stop. Before considering the same, this court requires the learned counsel for the respondents to furnish a copy of the same to the petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. With during the course of the day. Registry to list this matter kundina pariha. 5/9/2025 for 5/9/2025. Parties are at liberty to make further submissions in the matter basing on the instructions received by the respondent counsel.
My lord, I have received instruction as regards the current status.
Yes, Mr. Saivala.
Here the impugn order is one of faster order, my lord. So we have filed an additional affidavit. Well,
You're continuing to operate in terms of the interim directions. Yes, Mr. Chaji. What do you say?
Now that is being complied.
Where is the order?
order is, my lord, at base, my lord, that's right. Page 96, my lord. That deputy commissioner has passed the order, but it is the district authority who can pass the order, my lord. Not the deputy commissioner.
But he is the head of the
Head of the, my lord, no, authority, he is a member of the, my lord.
who is the head?
He is the.
He is the head, huh?
But he is given
In
only
his individual capacity.
individual capacity, he cannot pass. He-
What's the provision of?
The provision is only, my lord, for emergency provision, that is to be approved post facto. 26(2).
Disaster Management Act?
Web says, my lord, district authority means district disaster management authority. Subsection 1 of section 25.
But what about this 1 bigha thing? 1 bigha,
That is, my lord, not applicable to me, my lord.
because you are there from,
87, my lord. Since 87. My lord.
Disaster Management Act.
Well,
চাই ল'বা যিখিনি নাই মিলাই ল'বা যিখিনি নাই মিলাই ল'বা কোনে লৈ যায়
As per 2F, my lord, the district authority is there, which is to be constituted under section 25. The losses must see section 25. Every state has a development authority for every district, a state which them authority shall consist of chairperson and such other. And now 26(2), my lord, is important here. Those only emergency power, my lord. But no document has been given to me, my lord. The violation of SLS. That is why it was stayed. Still also nothing has been done. 26(2), the power. Emergency power.
26?
2, subsection 2. The emergency power, my lord, of the chairman. Chairperson of the district authority shall in case of emergency have power to exercise all or any powers of the district authority, but exercise such power shall be subject to ex prospecto ratification.
Okay, it has to be ratified by the,
Nothing has been done. Moreover, my lord, the documents were not given to me, my lord.
that is you have already taken.
Yes, my lord, were not made.
Anything more, Mr. Sorry, Mr. Sharma?
What has given latest?
You also have no objection in running it, in allowing it to be run.
They've given the, my lord, latest.
Okay, the order is without jurisdiction. We will have to interfere with that. Confirm the interim orders. But that will not bar the respondent authorities from taking appropriate steps if so warranted in accordance with law.
My lord, that will always be open. I know.
Kindly keep my instruction on record.
We've taken. Heard Mr. G. N. Sarwala, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard, assisted by Ms. K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel revenue and disaster management department, representing the respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Ms. A. Devi, learned standing counsel health and family welfare department, representing. Oh, sorry, madam. Sorry. I confused. D. Bora, learned standing counsel, health and family welfare department, representing the respondent number 5. And Mr. H. Sharma, learned, and Nidiva, Mr. H. Sharma, learned counsel, representing the respondent number 6. And who is for the government? And Mr. G. Bokolia, learned government advocate, representing the respondent number 8 and 9. Also, in terms of the liberty granted by the order dated 4/8/2025, Mr. Bachaji, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management, has placed on record the instructions received by him from the district commissioner, Jorhat. Full stop. The said instructions are taken on a record. I've heard the learned counsel for the parties at length raised to list this matter again on Budbara Wednesday for further hearing. I'll pass the orders on Wednesday. Further hearing on this one. Further hearing on this. Yes,
But learned advocate of the opposite party took time.
to file an additional affidavit.
They have taken time. Kindly, I want to make a little submission. Item number 5 may be kindly taken up, my lord. Name is very little different, but subject matter is same. Land acquired,
Pipe.
my lord.
Hmm.
Prayer may be kindly seen, my lord. In item number 5, prayer.
Hmm.
The aforesaid premises, it is therefore most honestly prayed that your lordship would be graciously pleased to admit the petition call for the records of the allegation number 29 of 1975 from the office of the Deputy Commissioner Kamdur Metro at Guwahati to Sokat as to why the name of the petitioner shall not be corrected in the Jamabandi of the land of the Rayar, whose name had been recorded in the Dapsita of the land. And after recording the name of the petitioner as to why the respondent shall not be directed to release the compensation to the petitioner as the Rayar. My lord, kindly see.
Mr. Soikia, what
my-
is the position of law if the name is not incorporated in the
In the Jamabandi.
Sita, Jamabundi?
Hello.
It is there in the hand Sita. Then
Hello.
what is the provision of law?
Provision, my lord, that the circle officer had written a letter to record the name. Kindly see, my lord, the letter of the circle officer. That page. Just a minute, my lord. At page 29, annexure D. 29, my lord. To the additional deputy commissioner, a report on the application submitted by Mr. Shaidu Rahman, son of Madirali. My lord, with reference to the above, I would like to restate in the name of Rahman, son of Madirali, a plot of land measuring dag number so and so, portal number so and so, village delivery, model delivery was there in the land before acquisition by the GMCH, and on the application was filed by the aforesaid applicant for correction of the record. As per report of the Latmandal, the land measuring
Can you,
figure 5 less of,
Mr. Soikia,
my lord.
can you come to the third paragraph of page 31? Third paragraph of page 31.
31.
তৎমণ্ডল সরজমিন তদন্ত করি দেখা যায় যে
31 is Assamese Kobi.
হ্যাঁ
They are read in English or Assamese.
Assamese.
Lordship, I
What
have translated it into English.
Just for our understanding.
Which
Third paragraph.
Assamese Kobi I read.
Huh.
লাটমন্ডল
Lord
দাখিল কোনো
Sarojini.
প্রতিবেদন মতে আবেদনকারী দাখিল করা উক্ত মৌজা গাঁৱৰ 10 নং পুৰণা পট্টাৰ জমাবন্দী নথিমতে অসম চৰকাৰৰ
No, you can come to the third paragraph straight away.
paragraph. লাটমন্ডলৰ সজমিন তদন্ত কৰি দেখা যায় যে উক্ত অধিকৃত জমিৰ অংশ 8 বিঘা 5 লছা
জমি।
জমি গুৱাহাটী চিকিৎসা মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ চাৰিসীমা প্ৰকৃতিৰ ভিতৰত খালী অৱস্থাত থকা দেখা যায়। আৰু উক্ত মৌজা গাঁৱৰ ইমান চনৰ চিঠা মতে ইমান নং দাগত 3 বিঘা 3 কঠা জমিৰ ৰায়ত হিচাপে আবেদনকাৰীৰ নাম 8 নং ৰায়তি সতীয়ানভুক্ত হৈ থকা বুলি লাটমণ্ডলে প্ৰয়োজনীয় উল্লেখ কৰিছে। লাটমণ্ডলৰ হাতৰ নথি মতে উক্ত মৌজা গাঁৱৰ ইমান তলৰ ইমান মতে 7 বিঘা 2 কঠা 5 লাখ জমিৰ ৰায়ত হিচাপে আবেদনকাৰী মহম্মদ ছাইদুৰ ৰহমান পিতা আলীৰ ইমান সতীয়ানভুক্ত হৈ থকা বুলি লাটমণ্ডলে উল্লেখ কৰিছে। Lordship, I will see the Damabandi event. Sitha. They were working there. Why
Yes,
the-
Mr. You wanted to file some additional affidavit?
But I have examined the instructions, but I find that the affidavit already filed by the deputy commissioner
Will cover.
covers.
So we'll hear the matter.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Mr.
টিভিটো দিয়া নাই তুমি
ECR affidavit এখন আছে।
দিছা নেকি?
The earlier affidavit, he has not filed any new affidavit.
No, yeah.
My lord, in this case, there could be time for filing an affidavit.
11/1/21, an affidavit is filed by respondent
If you want to argue the matter, we are ready. Otherwise, we can give you a date.
Oh, Lordship, my lord, I am requesting my friend to give me a copy of affidavit.
No, he has already filed that affidavit and you have filed a reply also.
No, in this 6131.
Six one 3131, no affidavit has been filed.
That is why, my lord. They took the time.
He is not wanting to file the affidavit, fine. Do you say that the affidavit in the other case will cover it?
127/2020.
That will cover.
All right,
Argue.
that is nice. Your lordship will, my lord, fix a date, short date. Because the other people are taking with the money, but this man. along
On
with
the
his
prayer
father-
of Mr. R.C. Soikia, learned senior counsel, raised to list this matter 4 and 5 day. Again, after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Any date, next time it comes up, we'll hear it, madam. It is noted that Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate, has submitted that no affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him would be filed in WPC number 6131/2024.
That may not be observed, my lord.
No, that should be
No,
reflected.
in
My
127,
lord, that is necessary.
affidavit is ready, my lord.
No, but that is
That
necessary.
may not be observed, my lord, because lordship is fixing the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, answer should be one lordship.
You should
Whether
be
you will file or
one
not.
thing, whether you are relying, you are legally entitled to rely on the.
Our stand is, my lord, he is not a partader, he is not a tenant.
That we have not make your submissions, we'll pass the orders, but
Yes,
if you both parties don't do anything, how will we come in?
Lordship.
I am not a riot, I am
So
out.
the prayer is to declare him as a riotee and then to pay him the compensation.
Yes.
How far we will have the power to do that?
Please, lordship.
Last line to cut it, 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Who is there for the respondents here, Mr. Nath? Mr. Goswami, you have got the instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, well, then it's okay. Any review undertaken?
Analyst. You was done in 9.
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty, what to do? It's a policy decision of the government.
That your lordship has to consider it. Correct? Then
And their further submission is that they don't have the money, budget provision for awarding this fellowship. Accordingly, from 2021, 21-22, they have not done it.
they don't give the advertisement, nobody get chance. But only thing is that the class we have downgraded, that is under challenge matter, not for 50,000.
Okay, we'll permit you to approach the government by way of.
There's no point, my lord. Whatever, lordship may decide it, my lord.
Okay, fine. We'll decide it. Yes.
May I have a copy of this one, my lord?
This is nothing. You can pursue it. That they say only that the review has not been done. That much only. You can give him a copy also.
I'm giving.
Perusa, okay, decent. Yes. Show me the right.
My lord, the facts, your lordship will consider, my lord. Lordship, kindly see the legal part now. My lord, the reason they have given that is not in the advertisement policy. I have shown your lordship the advertisement policy online that is there. The very reason is not there. The second
Okay,
thing is
take me to that.
advertisement policy, page 21, my lord. They say that, I mean, that impugn one, lordship, kindly see page 20.
Hmm.
The reason they have
That is the online media.
no, reason they have given, my lord. The reason is page 20, my lord. As the online media web portal has not yet been brought under the purview of existing advertisement policy.
Hmm.
This is the reason, my lord. So they have, for this reason, they kept us in abeyance.
Hmm.
Now, advertisement policy, the policy is page 21.
Hmm.
Here your lordship will find clause 7, it starts, my lord. Lordship may skip to page 25.
Hmm.
In addition to issue of public relations, may issue advertisement in electronic media, namely radio, TV, internet, and other media.
Mr. This is a sort of an emergency provision.
Correct.
This is not the general provision. So general provision, still you are kept out of the purview of the advertisements.
My lord. This is the advertisement policy I am reading, my lord.
I know that, but
In
here,
addition to,
this is for wild publicity and to meet the immediate necessity. There is a flood, there is a natural calamity. So they can also resort to these campaigns by way of your media also. But generally your media is not there.
they say that that is not within the purview of advertisement policy.
No, purview is it is still not within the purview. It's only in a case of an emergency that they can take resort to that.
Sir,
Because the intention is to immediately disseminate that information.
Alright.
But that is not there
Even
in
this
your.
advertisement,
Hmm.
which I am challenging, my lord, that was published in Facebook, my lord. So why
By
is
whom?
that? By them. They are published in Facebook only. Not in any print media or electronic media, my lord.
Okay, Facebook and your media will have a difference.
The same
You are a media within the Facebook.
online, my
media.
lord. Internet. This is, Lordship, kindly see. One is the print media that is absolutely gone, my lord. To end of
Electronic
today,
media
I
gone.
don't keep any newspaper. The second is radio is gone.
No, you
and
don't
the-
keep any newspaper for financial reasons or for you have the enough
Both
information.
reasons are there, my lord.
Then
Anyways, I'm coming to the point, my lord.
electronic media.
That radio
maybe-
is gone, Lordship. Today's context, anybody argues about radio telepart, that is also not there. Nobody has a radio set. I mean, nobody, one very exceptional.
Now tell me one thing. How is
TV is also gone.
how is your media, this section of your media regulated? How is your media regulated? We have
Regular-
regulations for the print media. We have regulations for the advertisement. We are in advertisement now. We have a manner, the government has a criteria and a means to understand the circulation. Electronic media, TV and all, it also has a means to TRP and all those things it has. Now, what is the means to understand your reach?
To control.
To reach, your reach.
But
You have a reach. You are also a media disseminating information,
yes,
entertainment, whatever it is. So you have a reach. If you were a print media, your circulation would have brought it. If you were a television or some media like that, your TRP ratings would have brought it. Now, what is the manner in which your coverage or your reach can be ascertained?
but internet is such a media, my lord, it is across the
No,
globe.
it has to be.
Across the globe, my lord.
It has to be. But what is your reach? Your the portal where you are working. What is the reach of that portal? How will I know or the government know? Just
My lord, yes.
to understand. It's an advertisement policy. So for the advertisement policy,
My lord, subject matter is different. That's why I'm coming to my lord. As of today, I mean, this is known to all that this field is totally covered by online media. We are reaching everything through our mobile set and all, my lord. Now the subject matter is, Lordship, kindly see.
Mr. That is the problem. You are not the internet. You are a portal. You have a portal which is there in the net. You have a portal.
My lord,
Now, this portal's reach, how do we understand? Paper, Assam Tribune, take an example. So what is the reach of Assam Tribune? The circulation details, which is already certified by a authorized agency, we get it. A TV channel, any TV channel, you take this TV channel, what is its reach? You get the TRP ratings, you get the reach. So the government can decide as to how to issue advertising.
TRP.
But what about your portal? Because we have to understand what the
It is
government
TRP, my
needs.
lord. There is there is a system which portal is how popular, how it is reaching.
That is what I
That is
whether it is a regulated one by the government or whether it is something which is there on your own.
online media are regulated. That is
Because they have said that you are beyond the advertisement policy. And this line here is a necessity. It's an emergency. So that will not bring you for issuance of advertisements normally.
bring you within the purview of this media fellowship, Lordship. Now,
No.
Lordship, kindly read the
No,
media
no, no, no.
fellowship.
If you have
There is a regulation in place, my lord. I'll-
Central government regulation.
What is that?
This is pending, my lord.
Huh? What is that regulation called?
Comment, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Chakraborty, what I'm saying is, this impugned corrigendum has a relationship with the advertisement policy.
Yes.
So to keep you away,
Ma'am,
they
this-
say
my
that
lord, this is
we
also
are
my
not
argument.
issuing.
This, there is no.
That's your second
nexus
argument.
With this, my lord.
No, that's a second argument. That
And
this
they have kept
plea
in
cannot be taken.
They have kept in evidence, my lord. What you kindly see, and their affidavit also, they are saying, no, we are not cancelling.
We are
It's
kept in
keeping
evidence.
my lord. Lordship kindly see that has been connected with that way, anything can be connected with anything. It's a media fellowship for development of the improvement of the media people.
I can at best direct
how
the
it is-
government that you have put this in the year 2018. You have not carried out a review.
Hello.
Carry out a review, hear the petitioner if required, and then come to a conclusion.
They have done, my lord, and lordship,
Then only we'll have to dispose it of on merits, either accepting your prayer or not accepting. For that, you will have to show me that you have a regulatory agency. In spite of that, the government has not. You have a reach which is much more, maybe in some cases, than a newspaper. But still you have not been brought within the purview of the advertisement policy. So both these things are interlinked. We can't take it out. From the
my
corrigendum, we can take out.
interpretation is that the reason they have classified out of this, my lord, that is not based on any intelligible differential, my lord.
No, but
Nothing at all.
but that is for that we also on a prima facie reading of the advertisement policy find that you are not there. Maybe you should be there, but you are not there. So some thought process of the government is there.
They are, my lord, the
Unfortunately,
national
we have not got it.
emergency situation only.
Only emergency situation, and that power is given to the Director of Information and Public Relation in an earthquake, or maybe in a flood, or maybe in some other natural calamity. That also shows that you have a reach. That also shows that you have a reach. But they have limited it. The normal advertisements are not being issued to you. And you're also happy with that. You're also happy with that.
Adding.
The advertisements, government advertisements not being given to you. Because you have not raised any plea.
Facebook, these advertisements they have done in Facebook, my lord.
Hmm?
This advertisement,
Mr. Facebook and you are both different.
internet, my lord, is based on internet.
It cannot be. You are a portal.
Portal through internet, my lord. Classification is,
There will be
Electronic-
lakhs and lakhs of portals now.
yes, my lord.
Lakhs and lakhs.
We get a chance to apply only.
No,
As a
no,
matter of right, we don't get.
no, no.
Those
For
who are
that,
working in
see,
portal.
Mr. Chakraborty, this court has to be satisfied
maybe,
that you
I'm
are
just submission. my lord.
you are eligible. If you are eligible to apply, you are also eligible to get. There
Yes,
cannot
yes.
be two criterias.
We are-
One for
in the past
applying,
we have
one
got
for
it. In the past, we have got it.
you have got it.
No, some of us.
Where is that statement?
That page 27, my lord. We have enclosed, my lord. The last one, we got it. Senior journalist and chief notice now, Asif Ibrahim is among 20 journalists in Assam selected.
This is the TV channel or a portal?
Notice now the same that I am working.
You are working in that.
My lord. Same notice now. Same kind of thing. Only this time they have excluded that two elements temporarily, my lord. Asif Ibrahim, he got it.
Have you made a statement to that effect?
Yes, my lord. Annexure 5, my lord.
No, statement.
Yes, my lord. I'm coming.
This I did not. It did not.
Pertinent to mention that Asif Ibrahim, a senior journalist and chief copy editor of
Hey, you are reading para?
was one of para 10, my lord. Was one of the 20 journalists who was awarded media fellowship in Assam in 1819.
And they have given a reply in para 10.
Para 10 of
of the
Or
affidavit.
opposition.
that, so my lord, this kind of stand can be taken in time, my lord. Now it is no, we did not examine it, my lord. Lordship, for a moment, kindly see that media fellowship guideline, my lord, for a moment, my lord.
Entire class has been kept out.
My lord. And Lordship, kindly see the subject matter of this in issue, my lord, that annexure 1, my lord. Lordship, for a moment, Lordship, kindly see, my lord. What is this guidelines? H12. That what they want to deprive us, my lord. The simple thing, my lord. The subject matter guidelines for implementation of media fellowship scheme for providing financial support to journalists for improvement of their professional skill and upgradation of their knowledge in the relevant field of journalism, my lord. This they want to deprive, my lord. Lordship,
And
kindly see the-
eligibility criteria, serial number 2, online media is there.
Here. This one they have corrected, saying that that will not be there. Not there, my lord, kept in evidence, my lord. Lordship, kindly see the first page objective, my lord.
I've seen it.
Just to improve the quality, and
Okay.
as of today, my lord, it has become more important is to control this media people, my lord, portal. They are doing anything, my lord. They have to be controlled and improved, my lord. We know what is happening, my lord. Opening the cell phone, what is happening, we can see, my lord. Most of them are false and all like this happening, my lord.
That's why the first question was, how are you regulated?
Like, my lord, very strong regulation is required in this field, my lord. Otherwise, one day.
Can you get hold of that regulation, whatever it is, that
My lord,
regulation?
that I have come.
Mr.
I'll come to know
On that, you give it to me,
Sometime-
we'll consider.
My lord, that is the relevant fact, but if lordship goes to the core issue, my lord.
What is it called?
It's called my
No.
technology, intermediate,
Information technology,
science, and digital media ethics code.
Ethics and all like.
is there, how do they, do they require a license?
Yes, but there is a public notice issued by the government of India, my lord.
No, I'm not on that. For operating an online
yes,
portal,
yes,
a license is required.
Yes, ma'am.
Under
Who gives
No,
that
license
license?
is not required, madam. There is some provision has.
Information technology
Intermediary
intermediary.
guidelines and digital media ethics code rule 2021.
It's framed under which act?
IT Act, madam.
Information Technology Act. It wasn't asking you. 22.
21, madam.
21. Mr. Chakraborty, you also go through this, I'll
Fine.
also just go through. Whether you can be said to be similarly placed like the other normal, which we understand. If that be so, this restriction may be unreasonable. We'll have to interfere with that. Okay, fine. Heard Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Bukholia, learned counsel, learned government advocate appearing for the state respondents. Mr. Bukholia has placed on record the instructions received by him in pursuance to the queries raised by this court wide order dated 6/8/2025. The same is kept on record and a copy thereof is also required to be furnished to Mr.
Already
B.
submitted.
fine.
Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Considering the nature of the issue arising in the present proceedings, this court requires the matter to be listed on 18/9/2025 for admissions. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next. Kindly just try to elevate that position to that of a normal print media. We'll see.
I also take instruction whether they are required to be registered anywhere.
Stop
before
that also.
Malad.
Because print advertisement again would be on the basis of your, because if we say something tomorrow, because this court has held it to be par, then every portal, no,
That part we are not asking for.
no,
that. They are
because if I hold that they are also entitled to be supplied with the advertisement thing, they should not be kept up. In that context, there would be further claims. So we'll have to be very
Fine.
sure that what we are saying. Fine.
Lordship, item number 8, respondent 5 has filed an affidavit. We have to reply it.
Why?
There are some issues raised in the affidavit which needs to be addressed at and brought
Serial number, item number?
8, your lordship.
Affidavit is filed by the government. What is the error here?
There are some issues here.
You are for the
I am for petitioner, item number 8.
Azad Hussain Chaudhry. Okay. What is your case?
Lordship, one.
That lady, the other writ petitioner, she is said to be a kin of the deceased fair price shareholder, right? She made an application. The government considered it and gave it to her. Now the cooperative society invites applications. And your name, you make an application and your name is also forwarded. Now there are two applications. But by this time, the earlier one was already granted. Right? Now she has been granted, she has been not given the fair price products. What is your right? You don't deny her to be a next of kin of the earlier one. You don't deny that. You are not the next of kin.
I am not next of kin,
Ah.
lordship, but at the time of issuing the application, that lady was not applied.
No, the lady applied directly to the government. You are coming through the cooperative society. They show me a procedure. If there is a procedure for making an application, there is none. And the government has a policy that if the next of kin applies, we will consider her case.
We will reply on.
Reply is not required. You can make an oral submission. I'll accept it as a reply. But satisfy me what right you have.
Lordship, Lordship, actually, in this name was not found, so I am not prepared today, your lordship.
But the learned counsel for the parties. The learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 697/2025, Ms. K. Deca submits that she be granted a week's time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 in the matter. Also, prayer accepted, a registry to list this matter again on 21 8 20 no 18 9 2025. Full stop. The petitioner in WPC number 59697/2025 shall invariably bring on record his rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5 on or before 15/9/2025. No further time would be granted for filing of pleadings in the matter by any of the parties.
Time.
2 weeks. Today we are only on 29. 1, 2. 12th is 2 weeks. I'm asking you to file it by 15th. Listing the matter on 18, beyond 2 weeks. Just satisfy me on that point. We are with you. Otherwise,
Lordship, I am paying for item number 7 on behalf of Australia.
any interim order? No interim orders? Yes, Mr. Soma, what is your instruction? Hindi. How can I? Agreement is given by whom? What is this?
Is an agreement between just a minute. Acharji and
Mr. Soma, this you can keep it for your consumption. We are not concerned. 2008, he stated to have made an application to transfer the land to his mother. But in 2018,
yes,
he made the payments, the land was brought back to his name. Now you are cancelling it. Has he been given a hearing? Who is representing respondent number 7 here? No, the mother. Anyway, mother is a party.
There is a party, my lord.
Who is appearing?
Nobody. As per Loazima report was
Complete. So why, without hearing his, do you admit that the land was transferred in his name, mutated in his name? In your affidavit, you don't deal with that aspect. That's why we wanted now you come up with a agreement.
this agreement.
Fine. I'm not on that. Much water has flown after that. 2018, the land comes back to his name. Just confirm that position.
Check to the revenue
No.
officer. Hearing be held, lordship.
We'll have to cancel that. 9/2/2021. By which the name was again transferred back to the mother. How did you do that? That's what I'm wanting to know. 18, it comes to you.
Yes.
21, it goes back. How? You come to your affidavit. Show me if there is any disclosure there.
But lordship, there is none.
Here you stop in 2008 transfer. Then you say 18 you received a letter, but the contention of the petitioner that the land was retransferred to his name in 2018 is not dealt with. And that is exactly what we wanted you to. Where is that thing that 2018 it had come back to your name?
my lord, space 60, that is the patta. And 61 is that, my lord, restored court.
Ah,
The thing, and my lord, subsequently.
and then they say now page 62, 60 and 62.
Yes,
These are the two things only. If you have issued an annual Kharaj Patta in his name, for cancellation of that, there is a process.
yes.
Because the mother is involved, the brother is involved, the process, the legal process cannot be done away with. And that's exactly what we wanted you to tell us.
Set aside this, my lord, without hearing also and without no.
No, we'll set it aside. We'll do whatever is required. But Mr. Sharma, kindly verify that position. Or if there is something in between, there was a hearing given, everything. Why should we trouble a old lady? If that has been legally done, take it back to her name. And the petitioner is not putting the correct facts before us. We don't want our order to prejudice anybody. Legally, what is permissible, we'll do that. But your assistance is required. Now that 2 dates your assistance has not come, we'll ask your whoever it is, secretary or whoever it is to be here.
Revenue, my lord.
Secretary Revenue to be here on the next day.
Yes, my lord.
Let him explain.
What it may be given.
We have given you, not once, on twice.
Lord.
Twice. This is wasting the time of the court.
As that, I was asked to,
28/7 in the, but you have not got that. You have not got that. So,
28/7, lordship has passed the order.
I know.
10/13, they took time. Now.
You took time, we have granted. Councils keep on changing, but be that as it may. The body is the same. So now tell me how to get over with this. There are two options to you. 10,000 cost or your secretary presence.
Friday, lordship, next Friday.
Sorry, even 1 day from there, it'll be without. We'll have to justify our orders also.
That's on page 60.
No, I have been asked that the order is very clear, 28/7. And you were there. Mr. Soma was there. And I think we have, with whatever knowledge of English we have tried to put whatever we wanted. So that shows the casualness of your authorities.
I asked for what evidence she have given.
We did not ask you for that. We did not ask you for that. We asked you in 2018, the annual Kharaj Patta was issued in his name. Why was it cancelled and taken back to his mother? What the procedure was? That much only. Evidence, proof, data, different. It will come when it requires to become. I can give you time till 2 o'clock. If it has to go beyond today, either two of these eventualities have to be met.
Lordship,
You make a try. If not possible, make a choice and then come back. 2 dates. Mr. Sharma will not bear this. You have already wasted 10 minutes. And for a small issue, which this matter is coming and going daily, just show that there was a process followed. We will dismiss Mr. Borua's petition with cost. At 2 o'clock.
Publish.
Madam, thankfully you have filed an affidavit. Very good thing. But
Yes.
we are not here to hear your sermons or your process. We are here to know whether the outstanding dues of the petitioner is due or not due. Admitted or not admitted. This, show me where the petitioner's money is also involved here. Show a statement somewhere. This is your thing. You do whatever you want. We are only concerned with what? Whether you admit the amount or you don't admit the amount. Show me a line somewhere. I'm ready to dismiss the writ petition. That single line is enough. Where? So much things have been written of no use. Wastage of paper. You bring his case in that, see, this is the claim, but this is also in under that inquiry. We understand. You have said about some inquiry, going to the government, going there, going here. Huh? You write, where have you written that? Show me. In your affidavit, where have you written that? Paragraph 3. Show me with is required to the connecting the petitioner here.
Regarding supply order, Lordship.
Supply order, generally, there will be lakhs and lakhs of supply orders. But what about the petitioner?
Is also involved, Lordship.
Where? Where have you, show me one line somewhere. With my knowledge of English, I have not been able to find out. Maybe you can show me. I'll also read them. Is there something? He has filed a writ petition of 16 pages, including affidavit. Now, where is that contention being dealt with? Is this the affidavit? We are not here for your policy. We are only concerned with the petitioner's grievance.
One week, Lordship. I shall.
Ms. R.V. Bora, and if this time I don't get the affidavit in that manner, your officer should be here. We are not interested in carrying these matters forward.
1 week, Lordship.
Okay. Ms. R.B. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent, submits that certain facts which have to be dealt, which was required to be dealt with, has admittedly not been dealt with by the respondents represented by her in the affidavit filed on 13/8/2025 in the present proceedings. Accordingly, she submits that an additional affidavit would be filed by the respondents in the matter on or before 5/9/2025. Also, registered to list this matter again on 10/9/2025. In the even the affidavit is not on record on the next date of listing. Consequential orders as would be required to be passed shall be passed by this court, including directions requiring the Principal Secretary cum Chief Executive Officer BTC to be present before this court on a date to be specified.
10, 11.
Maybe tagged along with this.
10 and 11. We don't want to trouble Ms. Bora beyond what is required.
Deeply.
Same order. Here also affidavit filed. Same affidavit. Same.
My only claim is that my additional land has been occupied by the Defense Army. So a joint verification may be directed so that to verify whether my land is within their possession or not. Because the affidavit in reply filed by the respondent number 3, I think, 1 and 2, it is said that in the year 2013, one survey was there. And in the year 2021, another survey was there, but no report is there.
Yes, Mr. Mary, why? Survey done, report is not there. Okay, fine. You have filed an affidavit. What is this meaning of this affidavit? Where have you said that?
affidavit, page 7.
Yes, Mr. Gugui. On the prayer of Mr. K. Gugui, learned additional senior government advocate, raised it to list this matter again on 19/9/2025. In the meanwhile, Mr. Gugui shall ensure that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him is brought on record.
Not 19, my lord.
Eighteen line. 18/9, Mr. Gugui.
My lord, in case a joint building was there, one of the
This is
part is
item number?
13, my lord.
Hmm.
One part belonged to me and another part belonged to my cousin.
Hmm.
Actually, my brother, he died and thereafter his son and mother is there.
Hmm.
So the ROW line, right of way line, just, my lord, 1 or 2 meter next to my wall.
Hmm.
And his part has been demolished entirely and payment is awarded to me, but no payment has been awarded to me. And the fact is that, my lord, due to the joint annexure of the building, my part, one of my part is also likely to be damaged, or already there is a crack and
Has an assessment been made about your house?
my lord. That is one part, because one direction has been given by this honorable court
Hmm.
by order dated, I have 25th of July, 25th of July 2024, my lord.
25/6/2024.
Yes. By this honorable court to make a joint verification.
Yes.
And joint verification has been already done. Report is there. My lord may kindly come to my additional affidavit. An amount has been also fixed by the PWD. And I have
Page 79.
no, my lord. 67th. '67, my lord. This amount, my lord. 69 is the relevant person.
Yes, Mr. Gugui.
Code is thereafter, my lord, 79 is given by the ADC, saying that as because ROW, sorry, 78, my lord. That joint verification, the ADC Kala submitted this report before this honorable court directly, but through the government advocate. One copy has been supplied to me, saying that as because the ROW line is near to my house, so I am not entitled to get anything. But what about the direction by the honorable court and joint survey? Their statement by the PWD as well as the Kala. '78, my lord. The subsequent. Is the joint
There is
survey-
already a report with you. How have you dealt with that report? Where is the estimate of the executive engineer?
Page 69. Below portion, the executive engineer's signature is there. Because the direction was given by the honorable court to the executive engineer. Thereafter, it was forwarded to the Johat division. Right of this, my lord, I have not been paid.
Yes, Mr. Das, what do you say?
I got some instruction. It says house where it has been standing is on the, my lord.
ROW, that is also accepted, but still that there was another building which fell within ROW. You have demolished that. That led to damage of this property. You are not given. Where do I get that?
My lord, myself mean my cousin means because after the acquisition he was paid. Thereafter he demolished it. That is all. Because otherwise
You claim damages from him because his demolition had led to the damage to your house.
is not the thing because 3Z,
Oh.
section 3Z, the Highway Act 3Z 7, I think, it says that at the time of any Hello, 3Z7B.
The affected person whose building was damaged, lordship, he got compensation, my lord.
But it is a
And
joint.
his building is joint adjacent to that affected building, my lord.
So
And paragraph 18, lordship, I have
the Kala is duty bound to do that needful under this section, my lord. B and
his
C.
building is beyond the right of way, my lord.
Yes. How does 7 help you?
The damage, if any, sustained by the person interested at the time of taking possession of the land by reason of severing the such land from the other land. And C is sustained interest at time of taking possession of the land by reason of acquisition injuriously affecting his other immovable property.
Those will not come to you.
Lordship,
C will not
before
come.
that, lordship, 3Z1 will come, lordship. Or any land is acquired, lordship. Land is not acquired, lordship.
Okay, fine. But there is damage caused
Yes.
on account of that
Yes.
acquisition. So he will also be liable to be that land to be verified. The verification report is there, which says that there is a damage because of this. What does the state Kala done after that? Because it was not within the ROW, will not take you away.
Yes, yes.
If there is damage caused on account of the acquisition, he's entitled to. What do you have to say on that?
That Kala is to decide, lordship, competent.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Gugoi, Mr. Das. If there is a damage, why? Why for every case you have to take instruction? You were permitted to take instruction.
Right of the way. And
That is different. That is gone. That is gone. But the issue here is his allegation because of the demolition of that building, which is attached, he had suffered losses. That demolition was done by the owner in the presence of the district administration and the NHIDCL authorities. Now, you accept that. Engineer's report is on record. You went and had an inspection done by an executive engineer. Earlier, it was done by the circle officer. They say circle officer is non-entity. How will he know? Get it done by an engineer. It was done by an engineer.
PWD will have to play.
PWD has done it.
As per the direction of this honorable court.
Fine, PWD is not required. There is a report. That is enough. You come to the order at page 78. Come to the third paragraph.
Usual approach has been taken by the department. First paragraph, my lord. Already observation is there.
Mr. N. Das, Learned Government Advocate, submits that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter with regard to the claim of the petitioner for being awarded compensation for the damage occasioning to his house on account of demolition of an adjacent house which was acquired by the respondents. So, the respondents had also, by way of an verification done by the jurisdictional executive engineer, arrived at the amount of compensation required to be released to the petitioner herein. Also, Mr. Das shall apprise this court, or shall receive his instruction and apprise this court with regard to the claim made by the petitioner, with regard to the stand of the respondents in the matter. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on
6, my lord.
full note right here, Pari. 16/9/2025.
Additional affidavit has.
Whatever is give it to
I
you.
will serve. I appear for response number 3, 4, and 5. For accommodation to file our affidavit, lords. Very short day to do, lord. Two is with regard to hearing counsel by the government.
Mr. D. Deca, Learned Counsel for the respondents number 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5.
Yes,
Submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file his affidavit in the matter. Also, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 19/9/2025. Also, the respondents number 3, 4, and 5 must invariably bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit before the next date of listing.
My lords.
Specific relief act to some. Specific relief act.
Yes, sir.
if there is an illegal termination, maybe specific relief act would come in. But the contract being in a nature determinable.
Yes,
whether
it is a
they can-
determinable contract.
Whether they can.
Now, determinable contract, my lords, it's not specifically enforceable under the writ,
Oh.
my lords. They'll have to approach the civil court. There's a specific bar under the specific relief act.
Specific relief act. Third, Mr.
Yes, sir.
M.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the, learned standing counsel, APDCL, appearing for the state response, appearing for the learned standing counsel, APDCL. For the respondents number
2-5, my lord.
2 to 5. So who is for 1?
It is there.
Power Department. Mr. Das, Mr. N. Das, 1 upor likhi diba, and Mr. B. Chaudhary, so and so. So. The petitioner hearing was selected for being engaged as a franchisee of the respondent number 2 company to manage the local electricity distribution network in the area assigned to the franchisee. Also, in terms of such selection of the petitioner, an agreement was executed between the petitioner and the authorities of the company, respondent number 2 company, on 1/12/2016. The said agreement was to be in currency for a period of how many?
Yes, initially, my lord, and thereafter.
3 years.
Yes, my lord.
For a period of 3 years. Full stop.
2 years, my lord.
2 years.
Contract period 2 years, my
2
lord.
years.
It's at page 27, clause number 8, my lord.
2 years. With effect from 1/12/2016. Also, any extension given to you?
Thereafter, my lord, till notice of termination.
Any extension given? No
Yes,
extension.
Extension has given, my lord.
Where?
That we have stated, my lord, lordship will.
Any
find-
order issued?
Yes,
Order issued.
yes, my lord. Order. Page 43, if lordship may kindly peruse.
43.
43, that was the last termination order, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Till that period, we were, my lord, operating as a franchisee, my lord.
Okay, but no order of extension was given. First, on expiry of the period of currency of the agreement dated 1/12/2016, it is seen that no orders were issued extending the period of such of the agreement after the same has elapsed.
Lord, one aspect in paragraph 4, we have stated that.
However, the petitioner continued to be engaged for the work of local electricity distribution in the area assigned to the franchisee. Also, was thus, where is that notice given to you?
Page 43, my lord.
Was thus wide a notice dated 12/5/2023. The authorities of the respondent number 2 company, on arriving at a conclusion that the engagement of franchises for the distribution of electricity being not commercially expedient, a decision was arrived at to terminate, to not to continue with the contractual obligations as entered by it with the various franchises, concluding the petitioner herein, and accordingly the petitioner was intimated that his contract would be terminated with effect from 1/6/2023. Also, the said notice further stipulated that the same was to be considered as a final notice for termination regarding discontinuation of the operations of the petitioner with effect from 1/6/2023. Also, being aggrieved, the petitioner has instituted the present proceedings. This court-wide order dated 1/6/2023, upon hearing the learned counsel for the parties, refused to pass any interim direction in the matter against the petitioner by way of passing a detailed order. Also, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that no appeal has been instituted by the petitioner.
One of the parties, there were connected matters, my lords. One
No,
of the parties-
against this order, no appeal.
There were connected matters. Against this order, no appeal.
No, that's what
Specifically,
I'm saying.
Yes.
No appeal was preferred. Also, P short, para 6, para 7, para 8, para 9, para 10. खाली R बड़ा जगह B छोटी कोई ले disposed of. Yeah, Peter has a side of
Our liberty is approves.
Oh, yeah. It's forget it. You have filed an affidavit.
I'm not fine by rejoinder. Your Lordship.
No. You have filed an additional affidavit, I suppose. No.
Just regarding one annexure, Your Lordship. I have filed-
Affidavit opposition by 3 to 10 has already been filed.
Oh, no, 10 is private respondent, Your Lordship. Oh, 11.
Okay. That is more than enough.
No, Your Lordship, here our submission is that the Wipro, that is a respondent.
He is the principal
Principal
employer.
employer.
And he had not paid you the money, so you were not. Yes, file an affidavit. What is the bar? What is the restraint? You should. When? By 19th. 2 weeks, 19th. Mr. A. Sandil, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 11, submits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondent represented by him would be brought on record on or before 19/9/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 19/9/2025 for admissions. Mr. Gogoi, what has happened? Registered. FR. This case was registered after the writ petition was filed. Too much. Anyway, all is well that ends well. Heard Mr. R.S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. The grievance raised in the present petition was to the effect that the FIR lodged by the petitioners on 8/5/2022 was not registered by the concerned police station in spite of directions in this connection being issued by the court of the learned. It was before the for the learned judicial magistrate first class in CR case number 16/2022. Also, this court accordingly on the earlier dates of listing had directed the respondents to place requisite instructions in the matter before this court. Also, accordingly, Mr. K. Gogoi Learned counsel appearing for learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the state respondents has placed on record instruction received by him from the officer in charge, Kheroni Police Station, West Karbi Anglong. A perusal of the said instruction would go to reveal that the FIR lodged by the petitioner was registered as Kheroni PS case number 22/2024 under section 143, oblique 147/325/354/354B IPC, and the matter was investigated into. On conclusion of investigation, a charge sheet was filed against the FIR named accused, wide charge sheet bearing number 17/2024 dated 28/4/2024 under section 323/354/294/34 IPC. Also, the FIR of the petitioner having been registered and the matter duly investigated into leading to filing of a charge sheet in the matter, this court is of the considered view that the grievance raised by the petitioner in the present writ petition stands redressed. The criminal trial would now proceed in accordance with the law. Full stop. With the above observations, the present writ petition stands dismissed. The instructions furnished by Mr. K. Gugoi is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of identification. Disposed of. With the above observations and direction, the present writ petition stands disposed of. Liquidation. Done. That much, Mr.
I had dismissed, Lordship. Yes.
I pray for some time to file an affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 8, my lords. Bank. One aspect of the matter, if I may point out, my lord, that this order is essentially, this petition is essentially recovery officer of the DRT.
I'm sorry. The proceeding is not against the order. The proceeding is against a wrong application of that order.
Yes, but passed by the recovery officer. Of
Whoever it is your on your application.
Absolutely, my lord. My
You give an undertaking that you are not going to encumber on 619, DAG number 619.
619, my lord, he is now having 61. There are several aspects of the matter. 619 was one, my lord, particular DAG. Out of that, 2 katha, 10 lesser, he has got 619A. Lord, 619 or 619A, we have nothing to say regarding that. But
that is not a DAG which is prescribed, which is set out in the order.
Yes, but the fact of the matter is that when the mortgage was created in the year 2013, my lords, the DAG number 619A has been carved out of that in 2016. My lord, whether 619A is the same 619 out of which it has been carved over mortgage.
Go and get a clarification from the competent authority.
Let me come to that. It is up to him to get the clarification. I'll file my affidavit. I'll place everything on record. But the question is, my lord, mortgage is in 2013. He carves it out in 2016.
2013 pertaining to 619.
Yes, including 619. So out of that 619.
How do you say that?
It is his case, my lord. It is admittedly his case.
Come to the order of the...
No, order will not reflect 619A, my lords. Order because 619A was never before the DRT. It was 619. That is the admitted position. In the Jamabandi now it is found that out of 619, 619A has been carved out. He has got 2 katha 10 lesser out of that 619A. So there is a...
Not carved out, it's renamed. 619, I was the original owner of 619, which got a 619A. So it's not 619.
So 619 was not a part of the, a mortgage was never created.
I have never taken loan from, because.
No, you have not created, there was the other person also has not created a mortgage over 619.
No.
Now show me that order.
First the petition, your lordship. Petition starts at page 44.
No, 44, huh? The schedule?
Schedule is at the last, your lordship, which is at
61.
Yes, 61.
Here 61, neither 619 is there or 618 is.
Patta number 169. Patta number is actually what happened was that initially the Patta number and DAG number were both 169. Patta number also 169, DAG number also 169. Subsequently, this has changed. Because the
Change to what?
change to, my lords, as per his petition, my lords.
Okay, have you got a clarification from the revenue authorities?
Because if I may say so, my lord, actually the matter is the best person to inquire into the entire matter and to get the clarification is the recovery of the DRT, because it is under his jurisdiction that everything is
But
being
the
done.
land,
Yes.
how can he know?
He may not know, my lord, but since it is
Not-
it's effectively an investigating.
So where is the any material to show that the recovery officer had approached the revenue authorities with this particulars
because
for identification of the
no,
land?
there is a stay on the proceedings on the taking of the land, and there is no, and he is not a party in this petition.
No. You had proceeded to take
Yes,
over
he
the
can only-
property. Somehow it was not done.
Yes.
So an apprehension was raised.
Yes.
So when you went to take over his property, you went to his property, right?
Yes, my lord,
Anything there?
My learned friend for the government has also placed something, I think.
Yes, what is it? SP. SP.
He says.
Fine, very good. That is their duty. The district administration and the police have to get that property. My question is, how did you identify that property that you landed up
Lordship.
to be the mortgage property?
Because, my lord,
You don't know, neither the recovery officer knows.
my lord,
So
recovery.
you will have to take the lot bundle and all those
Yes,
things line
that
up
has to
there.
be done.
So what is the material?
So that, my lord, whether it was done or not, that.
That you have to file an
that-
affidavit. Mr. A. Ganguly, Lanet, Standing Counsel, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, na?
Lordship.
Submits that he be given 3 weeks time, 4 weeks time to file an affidavit in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next time.
Published. Obliged, Lord.
Pass me document. It would have done it. 5 minutes we are coming back.
Wait, please, my lord.
The respondent number 3 has filed an affidavit. You are not filing a reply to that. You have got a copy?
Respondent number 4 to 9, my lord. 4 to 9 I am. Respondent number 4 to 9. Perhaps 7 died already. They have.
No.
For rest
What-
of the respondent, I will file affidavit. I may be.
7 died.
7 died. You can take steps.
Rajima court order, it may be.
Huh?
Rajima court order, perhaps it is mentioned.
Okay. It's in the Lavzima court order dated 24/9/2024. So you'll have to file a substitution. That date is not given yet. Mr. Sharma, kindly give him that date.
Date.
Date of death of respondent number 7.
It was already mentioned. As far as I can remember.
Huh?
For the Rajima court, they have given it. my lord.
Okay. So you don't want to disclose it.
I can collect the date, my lord.
Collect the date and give it to the council assisting Mr. Kolita. within 2 days. Mr. K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, appearing for the respondents number 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9 has submitted that the respondent number 7 during the pendency of the present proceedings has passed on, comma, PASSED on, comma. Also, he further submits that he be granted 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time to file an affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by. Also, Mr. P.K. Gulta, learned senior counsel, submits that the respondent number 7 having passed on, bracket, comma, during the pendency of the present proceedings, he be granted, he be permitted to file an interlocutory application for substituting the respondent number 7 with his legal heirs. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter with after 4 weeks. In the meanwhile,
It kindly be.
full stop, 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Mr. K. Sharma, learned counsel representing the respondent number 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9 shall inform the counsel assisting Mr. P. K. Kolita, learned senior counsel, of the date of death of the respondent number 7 within 2 working days from today. Full stop. What was a registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed. Mr. N. Das, learned government advocate, is present. Yes, you're not filing affidavit? Infractions, why? Suspension withdrawn?
No, madam, he was terminated, madam.
Huh?
Yeah.
Terminate.
Dogdila has also been, madam.
Yes.
I may be allowed to bring on record those development here.
Okay, you give it to him. Mr. You are appearing for respondent number?
Foreign to, madam.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that certain developments have taken place in the matter and he would like to bring the same on record. Mr. Same, so and so. Mr. Yu Soikade, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that. Prayer accepted. Petitioner is granted 2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit.
Notice, madam.
Additional affidavit to bring on record the subsequent developments taking place subsequent to filing of the present petition. He has challenged the show cause notice.
There's no in time, madam.
Fine. He has challenged it. Tomorrow we hold that the show cause was not proper. Everything will go. That is why I did not. Otherwise it will matter to be closed. Mr. Soikia, bring it on record. Take your chance.
Yes.
May I please your
Motor vehicles, motor vehicles, and act.
I may be allowed to withdraw this.
Nalai. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submit that the petitioners desire not to press the matter any further. So accordingly, he submits that he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. Also, prayer is not objected to by Mr. R.B. Goswami, learned counsel, appearing for the Transport Department. Also, in view of the above position, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. This writ, I was doubtful. Anyway, fine.
May I please your lordship. Regarding the payment of certain amount.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
We have already paid the amount, and in the meantime.
There is a demand made through an advocate's notice to you.
Yes.
Making a demand, but you say that the matter is already settled by the
bank.
And they have now filed an affidavit here.
Filed an affidavit.
You want to file a reply to this?
Yes, lordship, because the managing director has committed suicide. Thereafter, and the board of director has been reconstituted by now.
That affidavit is of 24. When did your managing director commit suicide?
He committed suicide on 19th of July 2024. Thereafter, there were disputes, so they could not form the board of
Okay,
directors.
Mr. S.N. Tamuli, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he be granted further 3 weeks' time to file an affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioners to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent bank. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Worship, in this case, the petitioner has assailed 2 orders passed by the respondent number 1 and 2, which is at page 36. What happened, the municipal court has withdrawn the lease agreement with the petitioners who were running the hospitals. So thereafter, we had, this honorable court has passed an interim order. So in the meantime, I have received some instruction. They have withdrawn the said orders.
Oh. So anything, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. S. Faridi,
F. Faridi.
F. Faridi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that during the pendency of the present proceedings, this is item number 24. During the pendency of the present proceedings, the executive officer, Defu Municipal Board, has issued an order dated 22/8/2024.
Chairman also. They have signed it.
The chairman and the executive officer, Defu Municipal Board, have issued an order dated 22/8/2024, withdrawing the earlier order dated 19/5/2023, by which the lease agreement signed between the petitioner and the Defu Municipal Board was cancelled. Was withdrawn, believe it or was withdrawn. Was withdrawn and terminated. Full stop. In view of the issuance of the order dated 22/8/2024, the grievance of the petitioner raised in the present petition stands for interest, and accordingly, the learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed that he be permitted to withdraw the present petition. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Miss V. Sholenamtu. Just can you write down your spelling? Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Chutia, learned standing counsel, KAAC, is present. Also, by to not objected to by Miss So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Miss, I got to continue, Mr. J. Chutia, learned standing counsel, J. is in view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Please allow.
Mr. Sharma, you are paying for the government only.
Yes, Lordship.
What about the thing? They are not even caring to appear after the notices have been served. And the dusty is also taken. You have an interim order in your favor.
Lordship, the
Mr. H. Sharma, Learning Counsel, Additional Senior Government Advocate, submits that he be granted further 3 weeks' time, 3 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the matter. Prayer accepted, registered to list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date 2 weeks by. Children's Ombudsman rule.
Even-
it was-
Yeah, I'm-
What is
yeah,
your
today
ground,
I'm
Mister?
not well, that's it. Last night, Lordship, I.
It's okay, Mister. If you're not well, we'll not, no, that's the last thing. This
slept
court
for
will do.
6 hours in the car, Lordship, because of.
Oh, the flood.
On the highway, Baragaon.
You require some accommodation.
Only, it may be next Monday also, no problem.
Mr. R. Goswami, learned counsel representing the petitioner in WPC number 6677/2023, submits that the matter he may granted an accommodation today and the matter be taken up on any other day to be fixed by this court. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. S.N. Tamuli,
Lordship,
learned counsel for the
Can it be on next Tuesday or?
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. You're objecting?
Yes.
You're objecting? Okay, we'll hear. Mr. Goswami, you take. it.
Lordship, I am not objecting for today.
Oh, you're not
On
objecting?
next.
Then it's okay. SN Tamil Council appearing for the petitioner has no objection to the said petitioner in WPC number 5764/2023. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 15/9. Punotake issue, 17/9/2025.
Here, because the.
Today at 2 o'clock, if you want. Otherwise on 17.
I am under tremendous pressure.
Actually, you have to. And Mr. Tamuli has that thing to withstand pressure.
Is a Lordship.
Now show me that you have your father or they had a separate patta.
Yes, Lordship.
Show me that.
Lordship, the Chitha copy, my lord.
You are Mukbul Hussain.
Yes, Lordship. Page 30.
And the partition is being sought for not in respect of this patta, some other patta. This patta has other co-pattadas also.
Yes, yes. Other co-pattadas also there.
In this patta,
Yes,
that 2
yes,
bighas
yes,
patta.
Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that? Where is that?
Lordship, page
2 bigha 4 katha 11 lessa. Patta number 379. In addition to you people, there are other pattadas.
other pattadas also. They are our family members, my lord.
So you have gone for partition of that patta.
And partition in respect of entire land, my lord.
Including this patta.
Including this patta, my lord.
Then what is the error there? What is the error? Once the civil court is determining the issue,
That someone has objected the mutation. If any co-pattadar raised objection, then it would be different. And the authority who has effected the mutation, my lord, can he subsequently cancel the mutation, my lord?
okay, fine.
Same
He did not
authority, my
know
lord.
about it. He did not know about it. And the provision is that if there is a civil suit pending, this is hands off. This is hands off by the revenue. They did not know about it. When they came to know about it, they rectified it. What do you say, Mr. Sharma?
When the mutation was granted.
I was under the impression on that day
Yes.
that this is your land and you are gone for partition with regard to the other plots of land. So I was under that impression. But yesterday when I went through it, it came to my notice that no, this patta also there are other co-pattadas.
Yes, other co-pattadar. But my lord, they have no objection to this mutation.
Can't
my
help
lord.
it.
And
Have you made them parties here?
no, my lord. I
In
have-
addition to that, when there is a case pending.
Civil
before the
case
civil
pending,
court,
Mr.
How can
No,
we?
my lord. But
That is true.
Lordship,
That is the
civil
end of
case
the
is
matter.
pending. That is true, my lord. But the case is that Lordship, when the mutation was granted, my lord, it was granted by following due process. Everyone was put to notice, my lord.
But you did not disclose before that authority that there is a case pending.
No, we have disclosed. my
Where,
lord.
where? Where do I get it? Where is that application of yours? That there is a
I have stated in my affidavit in reply. my lord.
reply is your statement. Where is your statement of your petitioner before that authority? That say there is a case already pending. Show me, I'm with you. That title suit number 2216 is pending. Where is that?
All the pattadars are hard. They were well aware of the civil.
That is a presumption that I'll have to draw. And that I can't draw without materials being on record. Only show me what is the illegality. But once a civil suit is pending, he should not have done that.
It's a different thing, my lord.
It's not a different thing, mister. There is a partitions case already filed. Whatever you get, you will get yourself mutated in that.
Who will get how much share, my lord?
That is what.
Of course, the subject to outcome of the.
Okay.
civil suit,
Today,
my lord.
Friday, we are not troubling you.
My lord.
Heard the learned counsel for the parties at some length. Raised to raise this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it.
Right.
Petitioner was served with an 18.
They want an access, ingress and outgress from your land. Okay, pleadings are complete here.
Yes.
It is stated that the pleadings in the matter is complete and the matter can be taken up for final consideration. Accordingly, the registry to list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it for admissions. We'll see. We'll see. There is a 3 weeks. Also, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next mistake.
Yeah, please.
Yes, madam. How can we help you here?
Allocated and
But-
only two beneficiaries was selected.
Unfortunately, for Kachar district, only 2 could be given. There was so much marpit for that all over the state. Now 2 was given, 2 have been distributed. The others have not been given, so that was not distributed. So whenever this thing comes along, you can apply, they will consider. More than that, what can I say? Because it's not a case.
Filed by the
No,
Deputy
it's not a
Commissioner.
case that the e-rickshaws 9 were given. Only 2 were given after selection. Baki 7 was given in some other matter. That is not the case here. Admittedly, only 2 were there for distribution. Although they had advertised for 9. How can I help you? Tell me. You are appearing for Mr.
I'm the standing counsel, respondent number 123.
Okay.
My notice.
Okay, my notice. You have filed an affidavit.
We have filed an affidavit and actually, your lordship, we have received around 68,650 applications for e-rickshaw and our target as per procurement was 427 and that was distributed.
Distributed. Now, why only 9 for Kachar district?
In the
No, only 2 for Kachar district.
two for Kachar district.
So where did the others go? How many districts are there in this state? How did you come to this proportionate thing for each district?
There was a select committee, your lord. Into the select committee,
Now, what was the basis? Because you had 427 e-rickshaws in your hand. You had issued an advertisement for 9 for Kachar, but thereafter you made it 2. Why? The petitioner may get, may not get, but what is the basis for this distribution?
That is, that was a
No, what is the parameters they have applied? They can't do just sit down and say, okay, 7 there, 9 here. Some parameters. It may be the number of applications received, population. What is it?
for that I have to.
You have your instructions, we'll have it at 2. Just on that.
As occasion, let's say 4/4/2025, and on behalf of Deputy Commissioner, they have the file of the affidavit last order.
He had only distributed. We'll see. Let Mr. Kashyap get that instruction. Okay? How that figure 2 was arrived at, that you have not disclosed. Just have an telephonic instruction. Just
Yes.
I want to understand.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent number 4. Kindly grant us 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
They're taking time from.
He's making his submission, Mr. Chakraborty. Let him. Yes. You are for the missing autonomous council.
Respondent Mr. Orient,
You are for respondent number 4, private party.
Lordship.
Yes. When did you file? You have got a copy?
No, Lordship.
When did you file? When did you file, mister? It's not on record. Check up and come back at 2. If you have filed, give a slip, she'll call for it. We'll see, Mr. Chakraborty. Let's, the 2. Second up.
My lord, Lordship will find my lord impugned order at page 62.
So respondent number 3 has filed an affidavit.
Filed
You're not filing a reply to this.
Did not,
Did
because
not.
they have admitted.
Okay. We'll hear the matter. But this matter would require some hearing.
Now, my lord, identical order is also there, passed by this honorable court. May I submit those
That
2 orders?
to setting aside that because it's non-speaking. Justice Manish Chaudhary's order. There is a recent order also of my Lord Justice Chaudhary, which we have followed a day before yesterday. To that extent only, that documents are not there, give him the documents.
They can.
That is also a way out to you.
But fresh application, my lord. Fresh application, there will be, my lord.
Sufficiency of documents, my lord, earlier.
But he has made some fee. He has deposited some.
Keeping it pending, my lord.
No, he has deposited some fee. What will happen to that?
That will certainly, my lord.
That you will adjust?
Lordship will die.
Why should I direct you give me? It's your money.
But my lord, I have no instruction on that part. But
Because if it is the same application, we can direct.
Yes. One way.
Exactly another.
100, 150. How much? Mr. Mandal, if you want, I can pass that order. Dispose of the matter.
Yes.
Directing them to that you will file a fresh application. Within that provisions of the act, they will consider and dispose.
Now, similar order as we have, my lord, placed before your lordship.
Want a similar order, we'll give you a similar order. No problem.
Because there is no reason signed or my lord, addressed to us what documents they required. Merely saying that insufficient document.
But Mr. M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional advocate general appearing for the state respondents, along with Mr. A. Bachchaji, learned standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Matter has been heard. However, the parties have made the respective submission. However, the hearing remains inconclusive. The registry to list this matter on Biraspatibar idea for the order. I'm passing those orders, but that is under type. So we'll pass the similar order. 49, no. Oh, 49.
But this is an
Yes, Mr. Islam.
non-payment of the supply of relief material. The total bill amount was rupees 3 crore 37 lakhs 13,213. Out of the same, already 2 crore 93 lakhs 30.
Oh, you have got substantial amount. So you can wait for some more time. Yes, Mr. Putulia. Oh, that means you admit.
No, my lord.
You're not admitted. Why no instruction? When did you write to the government?
2015.
19/5/25. Until for last 4 months, no response. Whom did you write to?
Deputy Commissioner Morigaon.
Write once more today. District Commissioner.
Morigaon, not Satchalmana Manka, sir.
This is Salmana Mankachar. You have written to a wrong authority.
Morigaon.
What is the case number you reflected there? 1432.
Case number is
Party's name is
Mr. Bukhlia, learned counsel for the learned government advocate appearing for the respondents, submits that he would file the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him on or before 26/9/2025. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 15/10/2025 along with the said affidavit. Full stop. Mr. R. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present. We'll see.
one observation, maybe.
Tendency of the present writ application is not a bar for the respondents to consider the claim of the petitioner for being released his pending contractual dues.
Much.
However, such dues shall be released only upon due verification.
May I please, Your Lordship?
You lost the line to continue.
File our affidavit of
Yes, how will you pay this?
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is a liability you cannot shirk off. Maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh here calculation error might be there. But the amount is payable by you. It is with regard to that poor laborers. You have collected that amount. You have collected that amount from the laborers and you have not deposited.
Amount is disputed.
That we'll see. Mr. Soma, why all this proceeding? Go take your recourse to you, whatever is there.
Your Lordship.
Interim order? Okay, we'll finish it. Yes.
Your Lordship, I have filed an additional.
Additional affidavit is again conditional. Will not accept that. If the attachment order is vacated, I will sell the land.
Partial withdrawal, maybe, because I want to sell
No.
200 bighas of land. Out of
What is the
1,500.
amount required now?
69. 1 lakh to 1 crore 12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
Without the interest.
Pay 50 lakhs. Show your bona fide. We will then permit 50% withdrawal of the attachment order.
Financial
50
condition
lakhs.
is not good. I have to take
Tell the whole thing. You're agreeable to sell the thing. Do it in collaboration with Mr. Sharma. And get the money, finish up.
Not entire
Whatever is required for, you give it to them, Mr. Sharma. They are very experienced in auctioning property.
only 200 bighas.
The organization is very
Already I have talked with my clients, Your Lordship.
Ah.
So
Okay.
if the attachment
You
is
approach
withdrawn-
them, but the money, whatever you receive, will have to be deposited in their account.
From sale.
And they will then take their whatever dues are there, refund it to you. Agreeable? Tell me, I'm passing the order now. Public money, we will not permit like this to be discussed.
I have to take instruction. Your Lord. Just fix the case Monday.
Okay.
Lordship, however, I may just place something. Additional sale of portion of the tea garden, practically also difficult. The PF, we may not have any objection. They'll have to take permission from the revenue. because
That
the
is also.
Labor commissioner, because the laborers in that sector has to be allocated to different sectors.
And
Yeah.
you don't have
No.
vacant land,
Vacant land is there.
vacant land.
Yes.
But then if it
Eastern
is
side of
vacant
the land, that.
then the
is
ceiling act will come.
facilitated.
Because only tea bushes land only will. So
No
Yes,
tree
no,
bushes.
we are not permitting.
That
I
is-
got it.
Not tree bushes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Vacant land-
N.N. Upadhyay, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he would, on the next date of listing, apprise this court as to how at least 50% of the dues receivable by the respondent number
One.
respondent number 1 organization would be cleared. Full stop. It is provided that it is only upon deposit of the 50% of the dues receivable as on date that this court would consider the prayer of the petitioner for being granted permission to sell a part of the tea estate involved. Full stop. Registered to list this matter again on. I'm giving you time, 15/9. You deposit 50%. Or we will ask them to take coercive measure. This matter will not go beyond 15 now.
The second case, Your Lordship,
A WPC yet likha 6187.
6187.
6187 2024. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registered to list this matter again on 15. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Itu order 1539/2025 would pass. Go.
Oblige.
Mr. Sharma, we give you 50%, thereafter work out a formula because he will also be staff for funds now. Work out a formula, get your dues, get the laborers' dues with you, and let him also operate the tea garden in the manner required. But 50% dues. No more. If you can't, tell us.
50% of 1 crore 12 lakhs.
If you can't tell us, we will think about another way.
I have to take the instruction.
You take your instructions.
Oblige.
No affidavit has been filed, Mr. Ganguly.
No, my lord, no affidavit.
First day, returnable.
I have not received any.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. H. Sharma, learned counsel for the learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the state respondents, registered to list this matters again after 3 weeks. In the meanwhile, the respondents are required to bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit in the matter.
It be fixed even after 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
You make a mention, I'm here. We'll grant you. Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. R. Boro, learned counsel appears for the learned counsel representing the respondent number 3 is also. H. Sharma,
Be required, Lord.
additional senior government. Mr. Okay.
We also filed the affidavit. Yeah.
Okay, fine. You are not. Government affidavit comes up, everything will be clear.
And also NHI DCL because that is the acquiring authority.
They want to upset all government. And
May I please the Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, there is a item number 39, my lord. This matter, there is a my lord, 3 categories, my lord, petition. For
what?
categories, my lord, parta.
Relax and make your submissions. Take a deep breath, then make your submissions. I'm here.
Categories, my lord, parta land, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Parta land allotted and khas land, my lord. My lord, for that, we have already affidavit filed, my lord.
Yes.
The matters pertaining to, my lord, an exercise carried out by the revenue authorities in Dhuri, where, my lord, a large chunk of government.
Have you filed an affidavit here?
Yes, yes, affidavit, and that is what, my lord, in all these matters, affidavit have been filed only in item 43. My lord, it is being filed today.
Filed today, 2913.
Yes, my lord, 2913.
Mr. R. Bropujari, learned counsel for the
Today.
learned standing counsel, revenue department summons that affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondents in WPC number 2913-2025 today. Also, not revenue.
Not revenue, they have.
Has been an affidavit has been filed. Mr. R. Bropujari, Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate, submits that an affidavit on behalf of the district magistrate, district commissioner, Dhubri, has been filed today. Full stop. The registry to list these matters again after to list these matters again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it, along with the affidavit filed by the deputy district commissioner Dhubri, and any other pleadings that may be brought on record in the meanwhile by the parties to the proceeding. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
That if one date is fixed, my lord, because they are already protected in the interim in one matter, my lord. to
Others?
which- Others, no interim, but that matter is creating problem for us. We have filed detailed affidavit in all the matters, 7 except this one. Any
Okay.
date, my lord, lordship, a hearing day, my lord, with all respect.
Weeks ko bana lage. Registry to list this matter again on 16/9/2025.
So deeply obliged.
Interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of listing. It is so ekkalage maidiva.
Yeah,
39 to 43. 70. ekkalage maidiva.
17, lordship has fixed.
70, yes. 39 to 43 and 70. Yes, madam.
Number 5 has filed an affidavit.
He filed it in July. In August last. 1 week time. Your name? Huh?
S. Chaudhary.
S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the respondent number 5 has filed an affidavit in the matter, and accordingly prays that she be given time till 11/9/2025 to bring on record the affidavit on behalf, a rejoinder thereto on behalf of the petitioner. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 17/9/2025, along with the rejoinder filed by the petitioner in the matter. Mr. D. Bora, Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional additional advocate general. Mr. You're assisting. Mr. D. Bora, SC, standing counsel, NHIDCL, are present for their respective respondents. Oh, Miss N. Bodle, main person. Miss N. Bodle, learned standing counsel, standing counsel, revenue, B. Goswami, N. Bodle, D. Bora, present for their respective respondents. Done. Yes, Mr. Sugya.
Our affidavit has been filed, I think, my lord.
The DC has, my lord, cancelled my sentence. Pursuant to the order dated 10/6/2025, he was directed to
He has filed.
Showing, my lord, his power. L1. Reflected in the interim order.
There is already an interim protection for you. He has reiterated the same thing.
Out and out lordship from this.
There was no NOC granted. Was not required
Yes, well, that was not required.
at that period of
That
time.
period. 4/2/2022, 8/12/2023, that was.
Okay. You're not filing a rejoinder to this. Mr. P.J. Soika, learned counsel for the respondent. A petitioner submits that he would be not filing, the petitioner would not be filing any rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, inasmuch as a question of law is involved in the present proceedings. Yes. Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional advocate general appearing for the state respondent, submits that the matter be taken up on any other date for final disposal. Full stop. Prayers accepted. Registry. Full stop. In view of the above submissions of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 18/9/2025 for admissions. 18/9.
Yes.
Want it earlier?
But on 10th or, my lord,
10th would be difficult. I can have it on 16th if required. Tuesday.
let be on, my lord, 24th, my lord.
24th. That week we are not touching this. That will be a motion week.
That case 25.
No. 22nd, that's the week prior to the holidays. Or we can try on 23rd. 23rd, Kodia. 23/9/2025.
For disposal as well, can there be an observation?
That if comes to me, I'll do it. 60?
8. Last occasion,
I had stopped because I think I dictated this order.
yes,
Good believe it.
we reconfirmed it. The instruction we got,
Huh?
we have reconfirmed the instruction. The municipality board, they have already allotted the place and it is available now.
Okay. Place is still available.
If they want, they
Shift there. What is your reconfirmation? Where is the petitioner? Dictation दिया है You have any instructions, further instructions?
connected with that.
Ah.
And the submission, and in their letter, it is all the registered, has been registered to the petitioner on 31st of 8/2020.
The letter was sent to them on 31?
First of 8/2020. I post to the petition.
That page 29 letter. Page 29 of the petition letter. Ah, 29/8/2023. You mean to say this letter? Near that, then?
Municipality board has given to them. I have
Porokhaba, Golaghat, Porokhaba. This is the letter. I'm holding it. But check up whether this is the one. On 31/8/2020. Who is for the petitioner? NZ Chaudhary. That's the letter, na? Same letter. Okay, we'll have it at 2. Let Mr. Chaudhary be here. Yes, Mr. Pugan.
My apologies, there was a matter listed in 67. None of us could appear because of some misunderstanding. I only wanted to apologize for it because nobody was available.
No, I think what we have done. I'm not. Huh? None appears. 15/9 we have fixed it.
There's no problem. I only think is
Mr. Kunemari said.
I'm extremely,
We'll put you.
extremely sorry for the inconvenience, my lord. I apologize for it.
No inconvenience. It's better that we get inconvenienced here than you going out and getting more inconvenienced.
Extremely grateful.
Yeah.
I'm sorry,
They have given you this new place. Go and join there. I passed the order that day. That day, I think only we were having a doubt whether this order was communicated to you or not. Now they show that it is communicated on 31/8.
That lordship, sometime maybe can take just to.
You have not shifted. We'll give you 1 month's time. 1 month, madam. Let them. 1 month will be okay. Just order to dia ase. Namot logai dia. Slip kori muk di diba. Deliver. Nalage. Hearing it. Mo di dim. But the parties at length raised to list this matter again on Monday, 1/9 for further hearing. Order is there, but it got mixed up somewhere. I'll just get it out. Monday we'll deliver it. And madam, what is your name? Namgita Lulu. You have seen it? Nothing is there?
In fact, sir, calculations now given, my lord. This did not form part of the decision-making process, my lord. Now they have gone back to that calculation. No, the first calculation, where is that in your affidavit?
Which one, mister?
That divided by now they are coming to 567, they're making that calculation.
No.
If table in the first page, my lord. They are dividing 655 by 30, my lord, now. They arrive at 567, and then they are saying it is 567 into 26 days, then 567 into 4 days, that is the rest days. What is this, my lord?
Okay, this is the calculation you have made. And the private respondent has also made the same.
So following the
same calculation.
Same thing.
So you are paying the employee concerned lower than the minimum wages fixed. How can you do that?
That is not the, my lord.
Then if that is not, how can be something else?
I'll come to, that's why, my lord, I said, my lord, because, my lord, the active
because we
active
don't know.
limit is the 15,000, my lord.
No. You cannot calculate anything below the minimum wages,
No,
even if it is for PF.
My lord.
So 655 is the minimum wages. How can you calculate it at 567?
My lord, 4 days.
4 days also same pay that he received the day preceding.
No, my lord.
Yes, that is the law.
For my lord.
As per your calculation, it may be something, but the law says, Indian law says something else, Mr.
My
Barwian.
lord, 26 days, my lord, I have come with the judgment also of the apex court also.
Okay, give me.
Come to this.
That's the same judgment you have placed, I suppose.
Divided by 30.
Calculation of the private respondent is matching.
Good.
Your Lordship, my lord, I would not like to go further, my lord.
Will not go that
What your Lordship is examining is the decision-making process.
process only.
The calculation is at, my Lordship will make a note at page 187. Which is the calculation which was communicated to me in the letter, my lord.
That letter, reply to your letter.
Reply to my letter, that is at page 157. Same calculation is at 187, my lord. That is their decision, my lord. That is the decision-making process.
Or and above, my lord, he did not challenge the entire NIT, my lord. He challenged particularly my.
I am not challenging the NIT, my lord.
If, my lord, he substitutes also, my lord, R2 is there, my lord. What right he has got R3? Why you will get, my lord? R2 is very much there. Assuming, my lord.
Mr. Bhavia, I'm least bothered whether you continue or Mr. Dekka gets.
Exactly.
I'm only worried whether the decision-making process is correct.
Yes, my
That's
lord.
all.
In compliance with the 173, my lord, on the last occasion, your lordship made a specific queries, my lord, how it is to
So
be.
you know everything. So why do you wanted an adjournment?
My lord, I want to give, my lord, document, my lord. That is my own. Only I wanted to give document.
So
Otherwise,
then not to
nothing.
file an affidavit, my lord.
No,
No, no, I did
Court
not
has-
file. I
Now,
did not.
how can
my
he
lord.
bring in documents? my
I did not want to file any affidavit, my lord. I'll just give written argument only, my lord. That was my morning submission, my lord.
No, you said you wanted to bring on record documents. Documents can be
documents
brought
by
on
your
record
file-
only by way of affidavit.
Affidavit.
Affidavit, I'll not file, my lord. Because I am adopting everything from the railway, my lord.
Okay, the law, this decision says while calculating the per day wages, the monthly wages shall be divided by 26. Right? No dispute on that. And but for deduction, if any, shall be calculated as
On-
monthly wages divided by 30 days.
30.
No issue.
Yes, my lord.
So the reverse, for the purpose of deduction, it's for PF deduction. You multiply it by 30, then divide it by 30. You get 655 only.
Oh, my lord, calculation part is.
Thank
there,
you
my
for
lord.
this decision. This will
is my
come up like-
calculation
Can I
part.
have the citation, my lord?
It is
Lordship kindly have.
Civil Appeal number 2539 2010.
Lordship will see my calculation part. Relog diya tha. Can you like na?
2539.
2539 2010 Hindustan Sanitary Ware and Industries Limited and others versus State of Haryana.
My calculation part, my lord, how we give my. Cannot give below the law. This is exactly what we are giving. Thing is 50 per month. Also, my lord, I got it.
So how can you divide it by 26?
Copy of it.
Mr. How can you divide it by 26?
26, my lord.
Your decision itself says it should be divided by 30.
My lord, divided, no. 26 क्यों दिशा? 1 month. Extreme limit, my lord, 15,000. Extreme limit is a 15,000 divided by 576 it comes.
576. It is
Yes.
lower than the 655.
Absent. Salary part, my lord, lordship will itu diya na go to. Yes, lordship will see the salary part, my lord.
Okay, fine. We'll try to decipher this. Don't worry.
Yes. What notification says, my lord?
Today, the matter was fixed for delivery of orders. However, the respondents, the railway respondents as well as the private respondent had made prayed that they be further heard in the matter. Accordingly, the matter was fixed at 2 p.m. and the learned counsel for the respondents were given further hearing. The learned counsel for the railways, waiting for the railways, has filed a written argument along with connected documents. The same is taken on record. Also, Kundina Pari. Registry to list this matter again on 16/9/2025. No further hearing.
My lord, only I may be permitted to give my written argument.
No, that is
Written
also
argument,
today
my
was the date.
Written argument, my lord, I have got it, my lord, could not file, my lord. I'll
Why?
file it by Monday.
Today you file it.
My lord,
You can't.
yeah,
Why?
my lord, lordship, kindly one day give me. Monday I'll file it. Monday,
এইটো তোমাৰ তাত ৰাখি দিবা মোক একেলগে বেল দিয়া।
Monday, my lord. Observe. Lordship.
And I hope that you will also not be changed by next dates.
No, I'll not be changed. I'll not be changed.
I was on the lighter side, my lord. I was once told, my lord, by an honorable judge of this court that all good things, I was also arguing, insisting on some argument, my lord, that all good things must come to an end. And so also this case, my lord.
100.
Obliged, my lord.
100.
Anyway, my lord, I appreciate my lord, Fran, my lord.
Yeah.
Night.
Obliged, man.
Yes.
Lordship, there is nothing, just complaint was made to us and
Leha. Mr. C. Sharma, learned standing counsel, NC Hills Autonomous Council on instructions has instructions in relation in connection with the queries raised by this court-wide order dated 28/7/2025 has submitted that the cancellation of the mutation effected in respect of the petitioner in favor of the petitioner in connection with the land in question and the issuance of a AK Patta number 198 on 24/1/2018 was cancelled basing on a complaint made by the respondent number 7. However, prior to effecting such cancellation, no notice was issued to the petitioner and no opportunity of hearing was granted to him. Anything more?
was issued, Lordship. Paragraph 8.
You say notice was not issued. Got notice?
Oh, no, my lord. We have denied stipulation. Cannot show, my lord.
You show me the notice. Page. 83. Page.
Affidavit filed by.
This is of 2013, mister. We are talking of 2018. No notice.
They are doing it.
Also, the said submission would be taken into account by this court while passing final orders in the writ petition. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 18/9/2025.
Obligement.
Instructions received.
Hmm.
Lordship, selection committee, which constitutes the chairman, vice chairman, member, secretary, member, and one another member, and they make the list of beneficiary, which is later sent to the district commissioner, and the district commissioner then verifies before final selection. And I have list of.
I'm not on that. Why this 9 was made 2? What is the basis?
According to the select.
How? Well, they should have some basis.
Such proper rule.
Then that is bad.
Yes.
That is bad.
Just,
So you
instructed
advertise that you will give 9. So you gave only 2. Why? There should be some
in
explanation.
the affidavit, your lordship,
Who took that decision?
the selection committee.
How are they empowered? What is the basis for that? That's what we want. There were 427 e-rickshaws for the whole state. Now, why only 9 for Kachar? A genuine question they have posted up. So you'll have to have an answer for that. Or how did you come to this conclusion that only 2?
One or two
That
districts.
to accommodate beneficiaries from each district of Assam against a limited target of 427, the selection committee had to allocate 2 numbers of e-rickshaw for Kachar district. So the other districts, what happened? So that, how did you come to this conclusion?
Uh,
Para 4, how did you arrive at para 4? This is from records. So what is your record?
Lordship, while selecting the beneficiary there,
We are not concerned with the beneficiary now. We are concerned with the distribution of the e-rickshaw, district wise. So you had some parameter. What is that parameter?
Lordship, according
Parameter.
law.
So that is illegal. So we should hold the persons who are concerned responsible for this. Yes, Mr. What do you say?
instruction, we can only that according to the select committee, they have selected the list of beneficiaries, send it to the DC.
I'm not
have
concerned
verified and
about the list of beneficiaries, Mr. Kashyap. I'm not concerned. I'm concerned with how you have
Writing the
distributed the things between the districts. What is your parameter? You should have something. Some parameter somewhere, some criteria. What is that criteria? I only want that. Who got it, who did not get it, we are not concerned. But how did you, because they have said that this is illegal. You have deprived us. So why they should have a grievance? If you have worked it out on the some basis of some sound parameters, that much only we want to reflect in our order.
Lordship, if we consider, suppose everybody is eligible, then also somebody will left out.
I'm told you, I'm not even interested in the petitioner. I'm only interested in the contention that why only 2 to Kachar and not 427 for the whole state. Why only 2 to Kachar? How did you come to that?
But we have, what they have told us, what they have instructed us, they told us that according to this given guidelines, since they have
Where is that
fulfilled
guideline?
Lordship, I have a copy of the guideline if I can. On page 3 of this guideline, Your Lordship, a guideline for selection of beneficiary for distribution of e-rickshaw. So here are few points, Your Lordship. And the last point, point number
Just give me a second.
Your Lordship.
This does not throw light on how the thing to be distributed is to be assigned to each district. Here we have no doubt that you have prepared a list of beneficiaries because they have not brought any beneficiary on record who has received. So we need not go into that. They say that why 2? We were supposed to get 9. Why that 9 was not given? That much only. That this is not throwing light.
Lordship, in the affidavit which submitted para 4, it's submitted here that to accommodate beneficiaries from each district of Assam against a limited target of 427 numbers, the selection committee had to allocate 2 numbers of e-rickshaw for Kachar district.
Got it.
That the
Got it. No issue.
Yes.
So we don't have 427 districts. Hardly how much now? 35. So 427. So how did you distribute this 427 within this 35? What was the criteria?
The committee takes decision.
That's what I said. Committee guideline is only for selection of beneficiary.
Yes, yes.
How was this
Starting the number,
units
yes,
distributed?
yes. Starting the number, there is no proper
Fine, I got it. There is no issue with regard to the person you have distributed it to, but the quantity of distribution. That is what I'm asking. When? Complete your instructions, we'll have it. Madam, you're not going to get it, but we want to know what has happened. How this distribution was made.
What is the
Where the
date?
7 has gone.
What is the date?
It has gone to some other requisite beneficiaries. But we want to know from Mr. Kashyap's mouth that as to exactly how they had done it. Mr. S. Kashyap, learned counsel, representing the respondents number 2. 1 also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Full stop. Mr. Kashyap, on the next date of listing, shall apprise this court as to how the distribution of the implements, including the e-rickshaw, automatic paper plate, there is one more, fashion something.
Planning machines.
Swing machine, fashion design machine, where distributed amongst various states, various districts in the state.
Paper plate machine also.
Paper?
Automatic paper plate making.
Automatic paper plate machine, huh? Page 41 of jikhini ase, huh? E-rickshaw, sewing machine, automatic paper plate making machine, and fashion design machine, where they are distributed amongst the various districts of the state. Full stop. The said instruction be placed on record received in writing from a competent authority of the Department of Welfare of Minorities and Development, Assam. Registered to list this matter again on. I got it. What is your name? 11-9. 11-9.
From the affidavit, it appears that already the work order has been issued. Sanction has also been issued.
For?
Payment way back in January.
So what can we do now?
Let the affidavit come, Lordship.
Affidavit, Mr. Chakraborty has given me the synopsis. Why should I go into the affidavit anymore?
We take the instruction whether to put.
Once they have put the affidavit on record, they will not have, that department will at least not do that. So, if you want, I can allow you to withdraw this go for damages before the competent court of civil jurisdiction. Because now I don't think so there is anything left here. Public interest, why should I, for a private interest, when? On that count,
Closed it.
Mr. B. Chakraborty, heard Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Gugoi, learned counsel representing the respondents number, learned standing counsel, missing autonomous counsel representing the respondent number 1 and 2. Also heard Mr. Ardhor for respondent number 3 and Mr. R. Sahani for respondent number 4. Mr. Chakraborty fairly submits that the affidavit as filed by the respondent number 1 and 2 reflects that the respondent number 4 herein has already, in terms of the work order issued to him, completed the supply of the articles.
Lordship, that is not the, I submitted that the supply order already issued in the month of November. Sanction for payment that has been issued on January.
And they have also said that the articles have been supplied. That is also recorded in one of the orders here. That is recorded in one of the orders. Mr. D. Gugoi. D. Gugoi, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. has submitted that an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondents represented by him, and therein it has been contended that the respondent number 4, to whom the work order was so issued, has effected the supplies of the goods involved, and sanction for payment of the amount due to him has also been accorded. Also, accordingly, he submits that the contract having been executed, no further issue arises for consideration in the present proceedings. Also, Mr. You have supplied fully?
We haven't got the instructions. Kindly, we are.
Okay. Mr.
2 weeks time to file an affidavit.
Counsel for the respondent number 4, however, submits that he is not having any instruction in this connection and prays that the matter be taken up on a short date so as to apprise this court about the position, right? You don't know.
Kindly grant us
So
2
there
weeks
is
to
a
file
doubt
affidavit.
now. So we'll have to put in a third party now to understand this. Huh? Kata. Muribu. Kata. An affidavit, Mr. D. Gugoi submits that an affidavit in the matter has been filed today on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2. Registry to list this matter again on 3/9/2024 along with the said affidavit. You have your instructions. Because if I put it, young counsel will be in trouble. I don't want to do that. Mr. Ani, have your instructions. Huh? Affidavits have been filed. We can take up this matter for final disposal now. It is stated that
My lord, petitioner number 2, my lord. His name has been cut down from the record.
Oh.
My lord, and on the other hand, petitioner number 1, my lord, his name has not been mutated till today. My lord, in fact, my lord, he is the possessor of the land. His deed, my lord, has been executed in the year 1966. My lord, both the, my lord, mutation case is pending before the circle officer.
But the matter here, it pertains to the release of LA.
Yes, my lord. My lord, your lordship, kindly.
Have you received the amount? No.
No, my lord, that is the urgent. My lord, may I submit one thing, my lord?
My lord.
Just some. Yes, Mr. Dekar. We have got your point. We have read it. We have got your point. That is exactly what is there in the writ petition.
Only, my lord, due to pendency of this writ petition, that mutation proceeding is stopped before circle officer. Unless and until mutation process is not completed, how can the
We will find a way out for you. Yes.
I have seen from the first order, my lord, the projection that was made by the writ petitioner in the petition was that we are occupants of a particular parcel of land. Our names have not been mutated, which is why our names are not included in the list of awardees, my lord. Now, my lord, they also said that they preferred a representation, my lord, and that was not considered. However, it transpires that that is not the case at all, my lord. Their names may not be there in the Jamabandi, my lord, but their representation was taken up at page 85, if your lordship sees. Page 85, there was a speaking order. 11/7, they filed the representation. They said it was not considered. However, there's a speaking order saying that we have called for a report from the circle officer. And accordingly, my lord, it was found that out of 64 lechas, 13 lechas, their petitioner number 2 is entitled, 1. And therefore, the petitioner number 1's name was also included in the list. Now, after this, my lord, if there is some dispute regarding whether 13 lechas or 51 lechas or whatever,
You'll have to go.
they have to apply for a reference, and then maybe it goes to the, but now with this, my lord, the amount is held up, even his money is held up, my lord.
My lord.
Because ultimately, if your lordship sees at page 89, my lord, petitioner number 1's name is also figuring.
My lord, as a possessor, not pattadar, my name has been cut down, my lord.
My lord.
Without my hearing, my lord.
Now that is a separate dispute.
That till now, your name has not been.
No, my lord, not
That-
mutated.
You go before there is a provision in this
My
is,
lord, I have filed, that's why, my
this
lord,
is
I
under
I have-
the
I have
13
given-
Act.
64 Act, but the 13 would apply so far as reference is concerned.
The other hand, my lord, my petitioner number 2, my lord, his father, my lord.
But today, no time.
Purchased the
To
land.
hear
with the-
such long arguments, because we'll have to rise by 3:15. Huh? Huh?
No, my lord, I have annexed, my lord.
Mr. Manaf,
Yes, my lord.
we are fixing this matter next week. Make your submissions on a Tuesday. 9th, we are taking it up.
In the meantime, my lord.
It will be after 15th, my lord.
After 15th.
In the meantime, my lord,
Okay, 18th.
in the
16, if not otherwise inconvenient to you people, 65. 16? 16. That much only, we'll pass that order only.
my lord, in the meantime, my lord.
But the learned counsel for the parties.
Circular
Learned counsel for the parties have submitted that the pleadings in the matter is complete and the matter can be taken up for final disposal accordingly. A registry to list this matter again on 16/9/2025. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next date of this.
But in the meantime, my lord, circular officer may be directed to.
I'll not precipitate the matter any further.
My lord, since my lord.
Okay, I'll permit you. Then I'll be doing injustice to Mr. Decca. What I do is I'll permit you to the circle officer to go ahead with your application, but I'll direct the the CLA to release the money to him.
Then my lord,
I'll have to balance.
then my lord, the petition number 2 will be deprived.
I can pass one-sided order when I finally hear the matter. You have to go to a reference.
My lord,
The earlier you go, the better for you.
one thing, my lord, you kindly consider. Since my lord, register sale deed is there, my lord, I have annexed. Only, my lord, mutation has not been done. That's why, my lord, I should not be deprived of, my lord.
Johnny, you'll
I'm
not
in
be
possession, my lord.
That is your relief in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? We'll have to finally hear it. Then I'll exclude Mr. Decca.
That's
Today, if I have to pass an order, while I permit you to do the circle officer to go ahead with your application, I'll direct the Kala or the district magistrate to release the money to him. If you want that, take that order. Want that order? Then till 19th, wait.
Obliged, my lord.
Here I have sent a fit.
Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the Oh, that.
Last order, my lord, saying that
Photograph.
last order, my lord, affidavit is to be filed on or before 21st of August.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, why have you not filed it? You had some personal problem.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Heard Mr. K. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Public Works Department. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the affidavit would be filed. The affidavit is ready and would be filed on or before 11/9/2025. Petitioner is permitted to bring on record his rejoinder on or before.
Then, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, prayer, my lord. Work order is not to.
Discontinued. Okay,
Work
we'll
order is not to be allowed.
not to be acted upon.
Yes.
Okay. Make your submissions. Make
There,
your
my lord,
submissions.
interim period, my lord, I have
And Mr.
mentioned.
Bhuya, keep in mind, we have recorded certain facts here. That you are not the person who had done the site visit. You did not have the requisite things. So, we'll dispose of the writ petition holding that it is not sustainable, maintainable. And the matter is already done with. You have not submitted your.
The question is, I am.
Mr. Bhuya, you have come up after.
I am being prevented because without having signature, countersign on the.
The countersign, they have given us an explanation here.
Because, my lord, this annexer, my lord, 3.
Have you seen the order at paragraph 10 of the order? Have you seen paragraph 11?
Because, my lord, this.
Mr. Bhuya, please. Have you seen paragraph 10? Have you seen paragraph 11? What is the material to counter that?
They're saying that this picture is not.
They have said, I have also said. What is the
But
material to counter that?
question is, my lord, here, my lord, tender package. Package is clearly mentioned. Who is package, whether
Okay, Mr. Vikas.
package is mentioned or not.
Would be filed on or before 11, on or before 19/9/2025. Raise petitioner to file his rejoinder thereto on or before 26/9/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 15/10/2025. 15/10. We'll finish it on that day.
9,
15/10.
long term date, my lord.
Can't help it. That's the way. Very tough matter. We'll have to give it a. I wanted to do that, but now we'll do it on 15/10. Date is mine.
Long date, my lord.
You file an IA.
Maybe-
If you want, you file an IA, we'll consider. How long will you take to file a rejoinder?
I am ready after getting this.
That much? How long will it take?
1 week time may be granted.
No, the last week we cannot hear because that is motion week. So earliest is 15/10. It's fine. 14/10 go idea. 14/10. Yes.
Allow me some more time to file the for impleading, my lord. Person is not in good health, my lord. He is 77, 78
Okay,
years old.
Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner is granted further 4 weeks time to file an interlocutory application to implead the present incumbent in the post of
And the ADC, my lord, revenue.
Deputy District Commissioner and Additional District Commissioner, bracketed revenue, Sonitpur District.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we require some time, Lordship, to file an additional affidavit. We could not receive the proper instruction from our client. Time may be given.
How long will it take for you to get that instructions?
What date may be given, Lordship?
How long? 1 month. We are closing this. If you have any grievance, come back. Because you were given time on 31/5. And we are satisfied that the order is complied. It's between me and him. You have pointed it out. That's enough. Why have you not got your instructions after 31/5/24?
But the last order, Lordship, the instruction which we have received, partial compliance of the order was done.
That is already recorded here. You were to get it concreted, whether it is partial or full. Okay, let's see what is the direction.
Page 14 of the writ petition. Last but second paragraph. Accordingly, this writ petition is
I've seen it.
with a direction to carry out the act of marketing 2,185 acres of PGR land notified by notification dated and 15,735 acres of land.
After completion of the work on so and so, that said two respondents are directed. Required after carry out necessary activity other than the graziers from the so and so prohibit them or any other person from utilizing. So and so. The work of demarcation of PGR as directed would be carried out within a period of 6 months. Meaning so and so. Now, where is the compliance report?
That marked as letter X. Because in the meantime, my lord, all the respondents have, my lord, either retired or, my lord, been transferred. I have filed affidavit on behalf of R1 and R3. These are already on record.
Okay, let us see. With to submit your report. Yes, what is the partial compliance here? What was not complied with?
For that, Lordship, we
What is the partial compliance? You said you partially complied with. How do you say that?
as per the instructions from the
Mr. Biswas, you are here. What is the part which has been violated?
My lord, because there was a direction to demarcate the gazing lands, my lord. The demarcation was not done since long, my lord.
Okay.
And which is why, my lord, they filed this contempt petition, and thereafter they filed an affidavit saying that some portion has been done. Now, my lord, your lordship may fix it next week, my lord. I'll have some telephonic instruction as to whether, because it has been, my lord, some time now that I have contacted them, my lord. Yesterday also tried over phone, maybe because the direction was for demarcation. They say that it is a huge.
Mr. M. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter be taken up again on 15/9/2025, on which date he shall complete his instruction.
Any
and
day barring 15, either this way or that way.
17.
I'm deeply obliged.
Shall complete his instruction as to whether the orders, directions passed by this court has been complied with.
I'm deeply obliged.
Next time you are before me, I want you to be thorough with your file. I'll not permit Mr. Biswas to work in. You will have to argue. Okay? How long have you been in practice? 2 years. High time. Next time, thorough preparation. And you can do it. Oh, that RADA construction. RADA. List those matters before any other bench without me. 48 to 55.
Oh, my lord, this.
Mr. Alam, G. Alam, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays that he be granted a 2 days time to file the amended cause title. Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, learned DY.SGI, does not object to this at prayer. So, petition registered to list this matter again on 19/9/2025. So, petitioner to file the amended cause title within 2 working days from today. 19, you're not here. 22 already.
Obliged, my lord.
particularly filed amended.
matter is for.
My mistake, my lord.
Considers
By order dated
affidavit-
just 2024 substitute the petition.
An affidavit has been filed.
all the respondents.
Sorry, affidavit.
We have denied the claim. They have no documents to show that my lord, the land belonged to
Well,
them.
let's see what is the order. Order of this court.
IA number 255. Substitution was allowed. Directed to file memo of petitioners.
Accepted. What is your prayer?
For Jirat, my lord.
Jirat.
Jirat.
Okay, what is the
My lord,
stand?
there are some disputed facts, my lords. It appears from the.
Not disputed question of facts. If there is something which they have not given,
Yes.
you have not also, have you filed a reply to this?
No, my lord, that.
So this affidavit is of 2021. So we are not entertaining this. Writ court will have no power. Mr.
Then, my lord, what I am
A.
saying, my
Roy,
lord,
learned counsel for the petitioner, shall file the amended cause title within a period of 2 working days from today. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 10/9/2025. On that day, we will pass it.
The petitioner waiting since 2016 for getting contractual.
Affidavit not filed.
Affidavit filed.
File, my lord. But,
Disputed.
and
The affidavit filed, CLT has been maintained, my lord.
Okay,
His
that
name appears in serial number.
That's serial number given, but here.
Okay. Just a moment. Just
Serial number 714, 49.
where is the order? Order is page 989.
89, my lord, relevant portion at page 9. First, last but second paragraph, my lord. In view of the above and taking note of the materials available on record, I dispose of this repetition. Direction upon the respondent number 34 in the bills of the petitioner, and if the same are found to be genuine, necessary steps for releasing the amount due to the petitioner be initiated without any further delay. The above exercise
This is
being
in terms
completed.
of Tamsir.
Tamsir. And Tamsir Ali, CLT comes at 749.
Really, but my lord stated that whenever fund available, my lord, but the work order stated that the work has been given against CD fund. If CD fund, then where from fund comes, my lord?
So, see, Mr. Soikia, how can I go beyond this order? I can only look whether this order has been complied with or not.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, it is specifically stated 3 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order.
So the examination is 3 parts. There is no time limit given for release.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
So
above
release will be
exercise-
again as per Tamsir Ali.
Of exercise, my lord. Temporarily, that is okay, but the question comes, my lord, fund availability of fund, my lord. My lord, here it's stated in the affidavit.
I think now that they have admitted your dues,
Yes,
you should
admitted,
come
my
back. You should come back in a writ petition. We'll be able to deal with it more in a better manner. So here only I can see whether there is willful and deliberate violation. There is no willful and deliberate violation.
My lord, can you see this language, my lord? Therefore, as and when fund will be available. At page 21, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Soikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents. So, the pleadings in the matter being complete, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing puja vacations for consideration. Full stop. For final consideration. Full stop. Oh, let's see.
In this matter, your lordship, we may get fresh step for responding.
You have not taken through Dusty.
Was not accepted, your lordship.
Only on 14. But 12-13 somebody has appeared. 12-13 somebody has appeared. No. Oh. Mr. I.H. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he be granted 3 days time to take take fresh steps upon for service of notice upon the respondent number 14 by way of registered post with AD. The Dusty was not accepted by him. It is submitted that the Dusty notice that the service of notice upon the respondent number 14 by way of Dusty notice could not be effected as the notice was not accepted by the respondent number 14. So, in view of the above, petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 days time to is permitted to take fresh steps upon respondent number 4 by way of registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days from today. Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed. Yes, madam. Complied with. Who is appearing for the respondent number 2? Deputy Commissioner Kamrup. Why the BTC is here? This is not a case where BTC is involved. 61. 61, no? 61. But I think you are holding the wrong brief. None appears for the parties on call. Registry for the ends of justice, registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Impugn the order.
Where is the order of dismissal?
Page 40.
Yes. What is your ground?
On my lord. My lord.
You can raise your voice a bit more.
Engaged counsels.
When were the newly engaged counsel? When were they engaged?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see in
Page 39.
page 39, my lord.
39, what is this?
In this, I petition engaged counsel.
And the matter was restored. Okay.
Then matter was called again on next date. Engaged counsels were not accepted in the cause list, my lords.
Have you did you file a wakalatnama in the writ petition?
In this way.
It's case 1, that is gone with that. Did you file a wakalatnama in the writ petition?
Yes, Wakalatnama was.
Then how can you take that plea? Because that miscase, you had filed a wakalatnama because you were newly engaged. So that is gone with that. What is the issue involved?
My lord, respondent filed the revenue appeal before the, my lord, of revenue, my lord, without adding the petitioners as
Mr. Decker, once a new set of counsels come in and file a miscase for restoration of a writ petition, a wakalatnama is required. But once that is done,
All on the part of the registry. Wakalatnama will
Gone.
be the miss.
it's gone with the miscase. You have to have a fresh wakalatnama here. And when was this order passed? 4/4/25. And the case was dismissed exactly 1 month, 2 days thereafter. And this is the second dismissal. Okay, what is the ground for the first dismissal? When did you come to learn about this?
after, my lord, page 37, my lord. The miscase was filed, my lord.
No. When did you come to know about the dismissal of the writ petition? Second round. Second time.
After dismissal, my lord,
When did you know? How did you know?
exactly, I know.
When did you come to know, mister? Yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you say? Any private respondent?
Yes.
Not appearing. But Mr. S.B. Loskar, learned. H.A. Loskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. No. Also heard Ms. N. Bordeloi, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department. Also, and Mr. H. Sharma, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for the respondent number 2. Full stop. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. As Ms. M. Bordeloi and Mr. H. Sharma have entered appearance for the respondents number 1 and 2 respectively, no formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite extra copies of the miscase be furnished to them. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3, 4, 5.1 and 5.2 by way of registered post with AD. Steps within 3 working days from today. Also, registry to list this matter again after completion of after 4 weeks. Interlocutory application over there. As notices have already been issued in the connected miscellaneous application being MC number 37 of 2025. No further order is called for in the present interlocutory application and the same stands closed. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we'll not be able to hear this today. You are ready with the second point first?
Yes, Lordship, second point.
Okay, okay,
I'm ready.
okay, okay.
If Lordship, if fine.
Because I only have 10 minutes with me. Due to paucity of time, the matter could not be taken up today. Raised to list this matter again on. Oh, you're hearing it? Huh? 18. '23.
May I please, your
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that steps for service of notice upon the respondent's number 1 and 2 has been taken today. Also, raised to verify they said same and issue notices in terms of the direction passed by this court wide order dated 2/6/2025.
IA, my lord, I think in the survive in the IA. Matter pertains to that, my lord, that hotel landmark, my lord. Arbitration proceedings are going on. In the meantime, my lord, the fire department has issued this and seized the hotel, my lord. We came up before your lordships, my lord. There was an interim order that the security should be provided. We should be permitted 2 security guards, my lord. That was not being done in those circumstances, my lord, this IA was filed, my lord. But it was subsequently provided.
So this is only
IA, nothing survives in the IA may be closed, my lord, then the matter may be placed for admission hearing, my lord.
Mr. N. Deca, learned counsel for the applicant. Heard Mr. N. Deca, learned counsel for the applicant, and Ms. P. Burua, learned. You are appearing for? Learned counsel appearing for the respondents. So, Mr. N. Deca on instruction submits that the issue raised in the present interlocutory application has since been resolved and no live issue remains for adjudication in the present interlocutory application. So, in view, the said submission of Mr. Deca is not disputed by Ms. P. Burua, learned counsel for the respondents. Also, in view of the above submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the present interlocutory application stands closed. WPC Tlihiba. Pleadings complete. It is stated that the pleadings in the matter has been completed. So accordingly, a registry to list this matter for admission hearing after the ensuing
Can it be
puja
before
vacations.
That? Can it be before that?
Difficult.
Time.
Difficult.
I think there was an earlier round of litigation. We are praying for a similar relief, my lord. Can it be on 16th or 18th, my lord, subject to the convenience of the other side?
23rd. 23rd. Itu nalage 23rd ko diba. Takinur Hassan. Yes, Mr. Qayyum.
In this case, we have already taken steps by restart post as well as Dusty service. And file an affidavit showing the manner of
Dusty service has not been affected. He did not receive.
Refused.
Huh?
Refused.
Where is the witness? Witness for the refusal.
Witness, my lord, normally, my lord, we file an affidavit. My lord.
No, there has to be a witness that he, before in presence of witness, he was given, but she has not accepted. That has to be there.
From today, my lord, I will.
So that additional affidavit, we are not accepting. Mostly gone. So what happened to the normal mode? So, Mr. Mr. Kaim, learned counsel, D.A. Kaim, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the service of notice upon the respondent number 4 was sought to be effected by way of dusty mode in terms of the liberty granted by this court. However, the respondent number 3 refused to accept the said notice. Full stop. In this connection, the petitioner has filed an affidavit. This court has perused the affidavit and also the acknowledgement of the dusty service notice. It is seen that the purported refusal of by the respondent number 3 to receive the notice has not been witnessed by any witnesses. Accordingly, the said position reflected in the affidavit, additional affidavit filed by the petitioner would not mandate an acceptance. Full stop. The office note dated 23/7/2025 reveals that the notices in the matter were issued to the respondent number 3 by way of registered post on 23/7/2025. Registry to await service completion of service of notice upon the respondent number 3 for further 3 more weeks. Madam, your name? N. Bora, learned PNRD is present.
Two, my lord, the pleadings are completed, my lord, and my lord, dusty, my lord, the Lozima court's order dated 28/8/2025, my lord.
Typing is in email. What?
My lord, pleadings are completed, my lord, and the service upon the my lord, private respondent is also, my lord.
Seen the Lozima court order dated 28/8/2025, which reveals that service of notice upon the respondent number 7 is complete. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again for admission hearing after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Interim order passed earlier, sir.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Ballot number today for 5 and 6. Connected matter, lordship. Already filed.
A 4120/2025 only, Hima. Seen the office note dated 28/8/2025, which reveals that the notices have been served upon the respondent number 4, 5, and 6. Let me finish it, then I'll come to the interim. And in 1331, you are appearing. In both, you are appearing.
4120, we have already appeared, filed our objections.
Okay. For Miss M. Monto.
R.R. Kakoti.
R.R. Kakoti, learned counsel, has entered appearance on behalf of the respondents number 4, 5, and 6. It would, Cool. Then in 1331. And you have filed objection. What's up? 1331 of Lihiba, registry to list this matter again. List this matter along with 4120. 4120 Lihidia. Registry to list this matter for admissions. Admission after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
1 to entry.
1 to entry. Fine. Very good. Very good. হ'ল নে? Secondটোত খালি লিখিলে হ'ল, এইটোৰ লগত লগাই দিব। 3 weeks বুলি কৈছো ন? Interim order passed early to continue till the next date of listing. আছে? টাইমত মিলি গৈছে।